Yeah, I'm going live right now. Oh, that was
yeah. I'm all amped up. Then I looked at the thing. I said, "That's blue. That ain't red."
No. I had to start it.
What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to another edition of the Trader Shop with me, T. Hobbs, and of course, you know I got my man Jay Seals in the building. What is going on, brother?
What up?
Welcome back, man. Always a pleasure to have you in the building. Hold on, let me turn my Bluetooth headphones. Yeah. What up, Mr. Potts? Out there killing it with the 10 minis. I see you.
Why did you say Mr. Block? What was that? His first comment?
I have no idea.
The indicator's back in the house.
I told him
to
use
Mr. Indicator.
He was in 100 minis this morning. 100 micros this morning. And I yelled at him on Twitter. I was like, just play the minis. He was like, never.
Yeah. You acting like Micaiah. When we first met Micaiah, he was playing 100 minis. I said, bro, what are you doing playing 100 minis? He was like, or micros. He was like, I don't know. I was like, bro, play the minis if you're gonna play 100 micros. Bro, he said, what are minis?
Like when you get over like 3 or 30 micros, like it's probably time to just move up to minis, man.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you guys so much for tapping into the shop. Justin wasn't here yesterday, but he is back in the building. The Trader Shop is back in full effect, and the market is back with a fucking vengeance. NVDA has literally changed the landscape of the markets. So, yeah, man. What do we do? Do we long? Do we go short? Like, should we short the high, long the bottoms? What we should just follow structure. At the end of the day, the market's going to develop structure. Right now, it's trying to validate a high right now, right? Like we're starting to sell off on the tape. It looks like the market's trying to validate this high. We know we have macro sessions beneath us, right? So the target's most likely going to be down there back to 18.927, something like that, right? We're going to go back and retest that liquidity down there. So if you're looking to get short, these are good opportunities to take the market short. If you just want to wait to the open when we're done down there, taking out all that liquidity, it's probably going to be a good opportunity to get long. Don't nuke it. Don't rush into it. Like, let's just stay calm and act like we've been here before. But before we start the show, you guys already know we got to do a little bit of housekeeping, right? So there's 3 ways you can support the channel. The first thing we ask you to do is really, really simple. It don't cost you a thing. And that is to tip the barbers, AKA hit the like and subscribe button, turn the notification bells on so you get notified anytime we go live or put a video out, right? While you're doing that and you're watching those videos, be sure to watch 1, the top-down analysis that nobody watches, but is very accurate. 2, go and watch the videos that Justin is absolutely blowing up on YouTube. He's becoming a YouTube sensation with all of these educational videos on these prop firms, right? But in the descriptions of those videos, there's also a link, and along with the scrolling across this video, there's a link to every platform he does a research on, right? So you can use that affiliate link. That affiliate link sends money back to us. It doesn't cost you anything, but we get a percentage of every time you buy or reset an account. So that's the second way you can help us out. And lastly, if you really want to help out the channel, join the Discord, man. The Discord link is in the description down below. It's $15 a week, $40 a month, and we give education every single day, a market review every single day. We have a very strong community. We teach you about order flow, and we share order flow with you for both the NASDAQ and ES, which is roughly about $160 a month out of pocket for us. So the $15 a week and the $40 a month is not a huge ask, but the price will go up over time. You lock in at that price, it'll never go up, it'll never go down. But that's all I got. Justin, what's up, man? Tell us about your day. Welcome back to the shop, man. We got a little time before we get into these pre-market plans. What do you got?
Oh, I don't have much. My day yesterday was great. I slept all day, pretty much, after what I had to get done. Although I did want to tell you though, remember what I was telling you about yesterday, how I got the decision back? They bumped me 20, so now I only need 20 more, and I got 3 DTAs, so I gotta go back and renegotiate. So
let's go.
So I'm only like 20 away.
Hey,
so that was good news yesterday.
I told you eventually, bro. Like you were stressing about nothing. I'm like, bro, you're too close. You're too close not to get that next bump up. You'll be fine. But anyway, let's jump right into the pre-market plan because it's really, really simple. It's really, really quick. It's really, really easy. Guys, the macro has everything you need to know. The current conditions We are on the moon, right? Bullish above 92750, bearish. There's no valid high at the moment. At the moment I was writing this, it was like 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning. But NVIDIA earnings sent the market in a buying frenzy. And until the selling brings new highs, I'm only looking to play pullbacks to go long. The market will present short opportunities, but if they come down fast, it is most likely just a retracement, right, to go higher. So the goal of the day is to forget about where we are and remain in the structure of order flow, right? That being said, it doesn't mean you can't short the market. It means that for me and the way that I trade, I need to allow the market to develop before I look to short it, right? But if the market is going to come down and not pull back so I can short it, then I'm just going to look to get long, right? That's my plan. But obviously at the time of making this, there was no high, right? So there wasn't anything for me to look to be bearish at unless I was just using the tape, right? And the tape, it just keeps going, right? They just keep buying. So at the time I was like, whatever, there's no bearish plan, right? So bullish, look for buyers to defend the 4-hour demand at 18,955 through 18,92725, right? And we can look to long the market targeting previous swing highs. Now, the other thing that I'll add, right, is on a day like this where there's no structure, we can also depend on time and sessions, right? So we know by following the market as, ICT traders or thought processes, right? Whatever. I'm not an ICT trader, but I fuck with time and I fuck with sessions, right? Where are we? We're currently in New York. Well, where is London, right? This is something I do in market review all the time for the guys, right? I always talk about this, but now we can just look to see where we were, right? So we know 820 is New York, right? Where is London's low? London's low so far is down here at 930, 18,930. So where do you think the market is going to go to find more buyers? Probably down here, right? Where's Sydney? Sydney is all the way the fuck down at 18,864. Could we come back down there? Yeah, we could. Where's PM session? All the way down here, right, at 18,800, right? Is it a far cry to ask for a 100-point retracement to come back and fill this gap right here? I don't think so, right? I think the market could very well make it down here. So don't discount the opportunity to short the market. Me, I'm not shorting the market until the market develops a little more. But I'm not saying don't short the market. That's not what I'm saying at all. I'm saying we're so far away from structure, right, that the market may not come back here today. It may just continue to rally, right? But understand where we are and understand that historically, the market does come back and at least sweep London lows. So we could be on our way to do that. So you could utilize time on a day like this to kind of help you. Like it's just another added confluence, time and session, right? And it could help you out a lot. So moving over to ES, it's the same type of plan that I have for NQ. I didn't write I don't know where this bearish plan came from, probably from yesterday. So why am I, okay, this is the daily. I'm like, why is this right here? All right, so same type of deal. I'm waiting on to see what price does when we come back into 53, 58, 50 through roughly about 53, 51. As long as we're above all-time highs at 53.49, previous all-time highs, I think that there's a good opportunity to look to long the market, right? We start pulling back into this area down here on the 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour right here at 53.42. I definitely want to look to long the market, right? So this area right here, 53.42, all the way up to about 53.58. I want to see what we do here. If we're going to continue this uptrend, or are we actually going to put in some structure and start headed back down? So I know everybody's bullish on the day. I'm bullish as well, but at the same time, the market's going to provide structure. It's not just going to continue to rise up and up and up and up. It might today, right? It might today, but eventually it's going to come down. So those are my thoughts on the market. Justin, if you have anything to add.
Yeah, so I'm trading ES today. I told that to the Discord. The reason why I'm trading ES is because I just like ES's structure. If we look at the 1 hour, ES ended up creating really nice highs right here. We have 3 multiple highs before ES finally broke out of the high. Now, I drew a box. The box is from about 534.29 to 534.25 to 534.625, right? Just this general area. We had the tap here, consolidation here, and then a tap for the NVIDIA earnings. And I just like the structure that we built. We kind of already came down and we almost got back into the area to retest these highs, but we didn't exactly break and retest them. So today I'm looking basically for the retest of this area. If we get the retest, I'm looking to go long potentially. Or there's a 1 hour here to potentially go long off of as well. But if we get below this area and we get below this high, then I'm gonna look at that as being very, very bearish on the day, as well as breaking structure, because basically we'll be breaking and closing below this low. If we break and close below this low, then I'll be kind of a bearish indication. Also potentially setting up a head and shoulders as well. You can kind of see the shoulder, the head, and then if we come down, we could end up making that right shoulder. But for right now, the market is way too bullish for me to be thinking about trying to short this market. I got to see some structure break before I look for shorts. So if we come down on a pullback, I'm looking for longs. I'm looking for the market to go higher because, like Hobbs was saying, there's no structure above us to look to be a bear. So everybody who's selling right now, they're trying to call the top. I'm not trying to call the top. I would rather just continue to ride the trend and ride the wave up until, the market and sellers tell me otherwise. So I'm definitely bullish on the day because there's no reason to be bearish. But once the market gives me the reason, I'll flip the switch. But right now, as long as we're up high, I'm not looking to be a bear. I'm looking to be a bull. So that's what I got.
Yeah, same for me. I'm marking up my charts over here and for Top Step X. But yeah, I think looking at the tape, this is a good opportunity to potentially start selling. Like I said, headed down to that liquidity underneath us. But I'd much rather wait for this to come back up before I go to short it. But this is kind of what I'm talking about, right? Like allowing the market to develop some type of structure, right? Like I could have got short at that initial sign of selling up there at the highs. I saw it on the 15-minute. I saw it on the tape, but I would much rather let this break and then allow it to come back and retest. Because if it just comes straight down, then I'm gonna know. I'm definitely gonna know that we're probably coming right back up. So
yeah, I don't think there's any reason to. Well, I just think like you could definitely short the market up here, but again, I think we've talked about this before. It's just so uncomfortable to be in shorts at the moment, especially at all-time highs, that it's better to let the shorts come in. There was like a really good quote by some guy who said like everybody tries to short the top on an uptrend thinking it's going to reverse, and they just run out of tokens as the market goes higher and higher and higher. And then that last time when they actually want to short the market but they're out of tokens, that's when the market ends up doing the dump thing. And then they're like, damn, I missed it, but I knew it was coming. Damn, I've said
I was right.
I knew it was coming.
They learned nothing because in their brain, the only thing they're thinking is I was right. It's like, no, you weren't.
Exactly.
You weren't right, because when you thought the market was going to come down, the market continued to rally. So no, you were very much incorrect.
Exactly. It's better. And again, like it's better to catch a portion of the short move down once the move has already happened. Like I think, we talked about this too. We talk about this a lot actually. Whether it's the upside or to the downside, a lot of the times once the market gets going in a direction, we always say, well, damn, the market can't go any higher. And damn near every time we say that, the market always proves us wrong. Like it continues to move higher, right?
They told me yesterday, they said, Hobbs, why you buying the top? I said, says who?
Yeah.
I said, says who? I said,
it's the top for the moment.
It looks like the top. I said, today it looks like the top. I said, by tomorrow, it might look like the middle. And well, that was at 18,008.
Exactly.
Now we're at 19,000. So
exactly.
It's not the top until the market says it's the top.
Nobody knows where the top is. Nobody knows where the bottom is. But there's a good possibility. It's a good possibility that we could go higher, right? Just based off of what's going on. So, we'll see what happens. But I guess my thing is instead of trying to predict the top or instead of trying to predict the bottom, just play the levels that you have, right? If your levels are bearish and the market looks bearish, then play the bear trend. If you're waiting to be bullish, then wait for your pullback at your level and then go be a bull. Like stop trying to say the market's at the top or the market's at the bottom, because the market's going to prove you wrong. And even if you're right, and this is the top, I think trying to call the top will ultimately reinforce the bad habit of, well, every time I say it's the top, it's the top. Every time I say it's the bottom, it's the bottom. And 9 times out of 10, the market's going to prove you wrong. So stop trying to call tops, stop trying to call bottoms, and just play the price action that's in front of you, right? Don't try to predict the future, because we're not in the business.
Trade
we're in
your
the business
plan.
of we're in the business of predicting the future, but not like the ultimate future, right? We're just trying to catch a piece of the future, not all of it. So but let's get into these comments. Mr. Pot Scraper says Mr. Blah. Oh, maybe he was referring to himself. You're welcome back. Thank you. I'm not trading. I'm done for the day. I'll just watch. Okay. So we got our indicator who's just gonna tell us when to long or
Nobody
short.
just watches. Nobody watches.
I have a good feeling 9:30 everyone's selling NVIDIA. You know, we said that the last time NVIDIA rallied, and then the next day it continued to rally. So I don't know about that.
Yeah, it was just the beginning.
Yeah, I remember the last time NVIDIA sold like this.
I mean, just look at the structure, right? Like, before we even go any further, hold on. Just look at the structure, right? Like F the feeling, and let's just look at the structure, okay? Does this look like it's about to reverse, right? We have this high here, we have this wick here, and I'm not saying that it won't. What I'm asking you is just to act like objectively, just look at it and say objectively, what are we doing at the lows? And what are we doing at the highs? We came up to this high, we went higher. We came down here, we tried to sell off, failure. 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 Now on this side, we're trying to push down and we're failing at the highs. So I would not disagree. I would just be cautious on any movements back to the upside. I mean, back to the downside, because the market rallied. And just remember, like, usually when we get earnings, right, we'll get this ridiculous rally, and then by the end of the morning, like, some of it will be given back. NVIDIA didn't really do that, right? It rallied and it stayed up there. Like, it just fucking held value. Like, they were in price acceptance mode up here, right? So, and NVIDIA's, like, calling card right now is their price prediction is 1100. Every time they give us a price prediction, they beat it, and then they just extend the price prediction. And right now, NVIDIA buyers have a very good reason to buy. It's just like when Meta offered their first dividend, right? NVIDIA is offering not just a 10-to-1 stock split, they're also offering 150% dividend increase on their dividends already. Think about if you had $1 billion and you had $100 million to spare, but every quarter for every share you have, you get 150% of whatever they were offering before. Do you think they're going to sell that, or are they going to be buying more? Just food for thought. So.
Damn. And a 10-to-1 stock split means they're at least going back down to $100 a share. So that people are gonna eat NVIDIA up when it goes back down, because people are FOMOing so bad.
Whenever it does
so
go back
high,
down,
they're gonna eat it up.
And we buying the hell out of that shit. So
you know the funny thing is, we predicted that NVIDIA was going to stock split. I mean, not that it was a hard prediction to make. We knew it being up this high, they were going to
once it hit 1,000, it was going to stock split. No doubt about it. See, and this is that straight down sell off shit that I was talking about. And like when we sell off like this, I think it's coming right back up, because there's no structure being built. They're just coming back down to pick up liquidity. Yeah.
Unless we break some type of structure to the downside, then I'll be interested in shorting. But until then, this is just a pullback. Even a strong pullback or a strong sell-off, it's still a pullback. But I think that's the other thing too, for everybody who's super short bias right now that we're at all-time highs. I kind of more look at this as like a trap, where they're like, okay, we know we don't want to buy up here, but we know we want to keep buying. So let's just make it look like we want to go short so we can get a better price to go higher. Yeah.
I just feel like it's a trap. Trying to ride this down London lows. 10 minis? Jesus. Oh, you in the 250K?
Cordy says
you secure in profit, bro. Good fucking entry, brother. Good entry.
Wait, who
Sorry,
said
bro. I'm talking to Eddie.
Oh, Eddie. Oh, nice. Good job, Eddie.
Eddie's in 10 minis on his 250K, trying to ride it down to London. Good fucking entry, though. Nice. Great entry.
Cordy says 60 points up from longs, chilling at short from top 19.15, and it's still not market open. Haha. Good morning, everybody. Okay, so Cordy was in short too, up at the high. Nice.
Yeah. A lot of people got short up at that. I don't know what they saw. Maybe something on the 15 second, but it was really good shorts, man. Really good shorts.
Yeah. What up, Eric? Shorts had they time to shine before hitting the moon. Yeah. Deep premium. Yeah, we are in premium. But I mean, I still think we go higher. I think it's just a pullback. Yes, Ryan, I am back. What's good, Ryan? How's it going? Makai says morning wild night last night, and then he goes on to explain his wild night. So I'm gonna skip over Mr. Pot Scraper so we can go to Makai. Makai said almost blew a PA last night, but managed to get out. Need to do some rebuilding on that account. Good news is I passed 250K evals yesterday.
yeah, I think Pitt did the same thing. That man, he just kept buying accounts. He's like, bro, I'm just gonna keep buying these accounts and passing these motherfuckers today because this shit is easy money. I was like, I don't blame you. I took a trade, made some money, and went back to sleep.
Did you do that on your live account?
Yeah, no, that was on my funded. I didn't pay the $10 to get.
Oh, you got to pay $10
on TradingView yet.
Yeah,
it's like $10 or $12. I don't know. I said I was gonna do it today, but I'm still cheap. I want to make the money and have to pay for it, but.
I feel you. Mr. Pot Scraper says 953 level is a good area to buy. 930 will send. We'll see. Forget calling the top. I need the top, or I'm gonna cry under the bed. Well, you're gonna be crying under the bed a lot. You already owe us like for a week ago. Liquidity void, 4 green candles in the 30. Need to retrace. I think 930 will be a fake out and then continue up. Wait, did you just say? Oh, you said 930 will send. NVIDIA is worth $5,000 a share in the next 5 years. Very well could be.
Possibly.
I think it just depends on how AI plays out.
Yep, I was about to say the same thing. I was going to say, I think that AI success is going to take the stock market to a different realm, right? Like, if we start to enter into a realm where AI pushes each one of these Mag 7 stocks to 4 trillion, 5 trillion market caps, right? That's going to start a trend, right? That means Apple is going to double, Meta is going to double, like all of these companies that are divvying into AI, right? And if, in all honesty, if Apple doesn't start to innovate into AI, right, they could get left behind, right? Low key, right? They low key could get left behind because they need to start innovating. That's all I'm gonna say. But
you literally took the words out of my mouth. I was gonna say, the reason why Apple's not moving like the rest of them is because they haven't announced anything AI worthy yet. I think they will, but they haven't. And I think that's why
they need to.
You see companies like Google and Amazon, and you see the NVIDIA. Obviously, they rally with each other, but Apple tends to sell off when those are rallying. And I was thinking about it this morning. I was like, I wonder why that is. And I was like, well, they haven't really announced anything AI worthy yet. I'm sure they will eventually, right? They have to at some point. I mean, they kind of already have. Ooh, someone order filled. But they probably, huh?
Nah, they canceled that shit though.
No, they scrapped the car. Yeah, they scrapped it, and then they rallied off the scrap. Yeah, I think them getting rid of Apple Car was a good idea. I think the only reason why they did that was to compete with Tesla. And once Tesla started to kind of falter a little bit, they was like, okay, we don't need this car no more. Like, this was dumb. Like, who wants a car with no steering wheel? Really,
not doing bad. They're $10 off their all-time high. It's not like their stock is suffering, but there are little signs that say, hey, you might want to start innovating, right? Because, Rome fell too, right? Like, Apple been ruling the stock market for a minute, but now Microsoft is flying past Apple, and NVIDIA is right on Apple's heels. So, in regards of the war of the goats, right? Like, Apple could be in a little bit of trouble. This sell-off is continuing. Unless there's a pullback, I'm still just looking at this as a retracement. If we start to pull back and build some type of structure on the 15-minute, then I'll be interested. But right now, good entry for those that got the early entry. Freaking kill this shit. This might be the last time you see red on this chart today.
I think the other problem at Apple is that Apple's not Apple's chip game is a little bit different than like NVIDIA's chip game. So because they're proprietary, right? They don't put their chips in anything but Apple. I think that their chips aren't going to be the AI, right? So they got to figure out another way to get into AI, and I think that's going to be a problem for Apple with AI. Is the fact that like they only use Apple for Apple products. So it's like, how do you sell AI to people? They got to sell them through Apple products. So I think that's going to be kind of interesting. I mean, I guess they already have Siri, which is kind of already like AI-ish, but yeah, I don't know what they're going to do, but they need to do something.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I guess for me, it's just about the potential growth. I think Apple will be fine. If they're not going to be fine, they're going to fire somebody and bring on somebody that's going to make it okay. Because Apple's too big of a company to just go in the dirt, right?
Yeah,
So
that's true.
they'll figure it out.
Good morning, Void. What's going on? My North African Drake friend. Mr. Pot Scraper says the world of automation will change the world for the better, assuming it's used for good. Yeah, or the world of automation will decide that humans aren't necessary and wipe us all out because we're killing the earth. Yep. Or there's that.
At ease.
Hey, look, man, that's the fear. I mean, he said it too, or else doomsday. I agree 1,000%. You know what I'm saying? You never know. They could think we're unworthy. I'm just saying. Looks like we're coming down further. Makai says, I think small caps are going to suffer until rate cuts, until then the mag will keep dominating. Yeah, I agree. They're small caps are definitely hurting right now.
Look at Apple in the pre-market.
It's probably it's not going anywhere compared to everything else.
Oh, you can't see it. Never mind. Yeah, you can't see the candle. Never mind. It's dumping. I forgot you don't have your thing on.
I can go to extended. Oh yeah. They started to dump. Yeah, Apple's been trash lately. ES looks good. Yeah, it did until it started dumping again. It already went there. It already went where NQ needed to go. Yeah, we're still coming down.
We're
actually about to retest
NVDA and Microsoft. Really, I use Apple as like I fade Apple because whatever Apple's doing, the market's probably going to do the opposite.
Yeah, except for today.
That's how I use it. It's kind of like how Tesla used to be when it was starting its fall.
Damn, whoever long NVIDIA earnings. It's almost 9:30. We're getting close. About 2 minutes. What up, Custom? Brandon Holmes in the building says the Matrix. Facts, could be the Matrix.
Bro,
1,000%.
NVIDIA going right back up, bro.
Yeah, I think we're gonna get. I'm hoping we get a bounce here soon.
They selling everything, but NVIDIA never got the
memo. Live Futures Trading in the building says, "Hey guys, found your channel yesterday. Still loving it. Dope. Appreciate you, Live Futures Trading. I wasn't here,
man. Welcome back, man. Welcome back.
Here yesterday, but
yeah. Nah,
shut up, Jonah.
He liked the channel.
No, that's not.
We had a counterpart. I said I got a counterpart. He'll be back tomorrow.
Shut up, Jonah.
I told you he was getting boobs put in, bro.
I had a surgery yesterday. All right. Yeah, everything's fine. Obviously, as you can see, I'm on my. Yeah, I'm about to say I'm on my BBL Drizzy. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
today I'm on my BBL Drizzy. Well, I'm on my BBL Drizzy. All right, don't even worry about it. I got my abs put in. You know what I'm saying? I got my. I gotta do.
He went to the rap doctor. Wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller.
Hey, look, man. I went from 5'9" to 6'2". You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make it to the NBA a little bit late.
For all of you bears out there, just be aware that NVIDIA is ripping right now, and Microsoft and Apple are also pushing right back up. So ES is at its demand zone right now at 53.56, and NQ is just swept the low. So,
yeah, I'm liking this volume that we're getting some buyers coming in. Mr. Pot says 53.57. If the fair value gap gets respect on ES, it's gonna dump. It's looking good though. Market is about to open.
I want us to. Yo, NVIDIA is sending, bro. Oh my God. Okay. Damn. Oh my goodness. Yo, Google is gone. What the?
See what ES is about to do. ES and NQ look very much the same.
Oh, they're gonna take that profit.
Poke.
Either that or they really might be selling everything else to go buy more NVIDIA.
NVIDIA is already starting to send.
Because NVIDIA is sending right now. It's over the
So
all-time high again.
So is Google. Google's also sending as well.
Market's going straight down, headed down to that liquidity down there in London. ES is just kind of sitting at 53.55.
Yeah,
right?
I'm looking for 49.
Man, if I'd have took this short, I'd have had to sit through. Like, look at the open, not even pulling back. When I get in short, the open rips my fucking face off.
Mm-hmm.
This thing, one trip straight down. Good
Straight
short,
down.
man. Hey, good short, Eddie. Good short. Damn. You think we going back to 450? Or you think we getting a 450 point sell-off? Oh, yeah, nah. I don't think that's gonna happen, but
Woo!
I would love it.
Look at this dump.
Come
Look at
on,
this
man.
dumpity dump.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Yeah, come on, man. Come on, man.
Yeah. ES is already below the low here.
This never happened.
Yeah, we do got news. We got news at 45.
The low is at 929, bro. ES is trying to break his low, though.
Yeah, ES is below that low.
Oh, you said ES.
Yeah, ES.
Man,
ES.
your mic come in yet, bro? Your mic come in yet?
Yeah, he need a new mic
That
horribly.
Fucking horrible.
All right.
That shit is horrible. Nobody can even hear.
Oh, you fixed it a little bit right there.
Start talking.
Ooh, good lord,
Yeah,
good lord.
Eddie passed that 250K, baby. He passed that 250K.
Hey, let's
Eddie.
go, Eddie.
He made 5,400. Let's go, Eddie. Keep going, baby. Keep going.
Is that the pass right there? Or he needs 5K?
No. You need 15K to pass.
Oh.
So I think he might have started a new one. He might have started a new one. Or maybe he was down and it came back up a little bit. I don't know. All right, ES NQ is in my area down here. I want to see if we're gonna come down lower and sweep. I want to see if we're gonna come down lower and sweep London lows here. At
we got PMI at 9.5. That's our only other news on the day. We got consumer confidence. Oh no, yeah, just that. And then we got Bostic speaking at 3, but I ain't worried about him. What up, Ikewill? We printing? Yep.
ES is headed lower. Mm-hmm. Oh, I see it. They buying the hell out of this shit. They buying this shit right back up.
Yeah, this area is very, very interesting.
Yeah, and it's going fucking higher. But I'm gonna wait to see what happens here. We'll get what we want. I think I'll get what I want.
Yeah, looks like the market's still trying to push.
Oh,
lower.
ES is flushing. Go ES, go ES, go.
Yeah, ES.
I remember we got 1 hour right here at 53.42 on ES. That would be the next level. Just don't fall into the trap of trying to get long while the market's shifting gears right now. Like the market is shifting gears 100%. Breaking through that low on ES makes us very bearish. So let's see if we close. Which I'm completely okay with, right? Like, do your thing. Send it down, baby.
Yeah, we're falling right, we're right back in that range.
Yep, if
we don't break above this area, yeah, if we don't come back in this area, it could spell more selling. We need to come back up.
Nah, so the speed in which we came down here makes me very bullish. But ES is trying to break its low and hold below its low. But let's see what happens at the low. Right?
No, this is the wrong count.
We start closing through the lows, then it validates that high here, which is what I really want. But if we're not going to close below this low, we're gonna eat this candle right back up. The selling is starting to increase at these lows, which is what you want to see in your shorts. Let's see what we're doing. Let's zoom in a little bit on the book. Let's see what we're doing.
Yeah, I'm actually seeing kind of a potential lack of selling down here, but let's see what we get.
Nah, This shit is increasing. At least on EQ,
Break.
the selling is increasing. Yeah, just watching this guy for the increased selling here, guys. Watching the delta to see how much selling is occurring over here, right? Just watching, just paying attention. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Remember, we came down, but we did not break the low. We did not close below the low. Just remember that, right? Just remember that. More buying coming in. You can see the CVD meter turning more and more positive. They're definitely interested in buying up down here. Yeah, I see it. I want us to come down and sweep the London lows, though. I think we could just be coming down a little bit further. Yeah, we could be coming down a little bit further. Remember, we got that gap down there between 836 or 842 and 826 down there. So there's a lot, and that's PM session, right? Like, so there's a lot of reasons for the market to come back down there. I just didn't expect us to come all the way down there right now, but it looks like we might be trying to go for that gap fill.
Yeah, we came down
there
pretty quick.
So, as fast as we're coming down, I think we made the target maybe down here at like 800, 839 if we break through this low. I'm not in a rush to get in long here. This could just be a pit stop to go lower, so just be aware. I'd much rather wait for a pullback to go short now that we've changed character here. 53.44 on ES, definitely changing character below 53.49. We're looking pretty bearish on ES. Let's see if NQ wants to follow. The VIX is up 10 points on the day, but not. Oh my God!
Look at NVDA.
Look at fucking NVIDIA. Holy shit!
Yeah,
NVIDIA is at 1,040. We're not going lower. We're not going lower. I take everything back I said about the Bears. Shit. NVIDIA. Jesus.
Yeah, I'm really liking this structure on ES right now on the 2 minute. We're still selling, but there's some buying activity at the low.
The structure that we're building on NQ makes me believe that we're going to go lower. Like we're trading choppy up, which means we could come down a little lower first, which I'm okay with. I want us to come a little lower. I would prefer us come a little lower, but NVIDIA seems to not give a fuck what I think.
Yeah, NVIDIA, and Google both are just going crazy. It's just Apple, it's just Microsoft that's kind of holding us down a little bit, but it's looking pretty good.
I just want like 20 more points. 924. See what we do there. I think we got some more downside.
That could be very true. Very true. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, we're just consolidating right here. I'm still flat. Still flat.
Yeah, I don't think either one of us taking any trades. Just chilling. I'm more inclined to believe that we're going lower though. I'm just looking at all the targets down here. Like there's so much fucking liquidity that they can go get. So I'm just looking at. I think we're gonna go much lower. I'm watching ES sell the fuck off.
Yeah, ES is selling off.
VIX is pumping, so I don't think this was a stop to go higher. I think we're about to go much lower. All right, there's 24. That was my first level.
Yeah, we're at 43 on ES. iQuil says had a chance to short, but too close to the open. Yeah, I don't like shorting too close to the open either. Getting in too close to open. So I'm with you. Gonna wait until news gets out of the way. Yeah, that's kind of where I'm at now too. We only got about like 5 more minutes, 6 more minutes of the news. So for the market,
they can get down there. Well, I was about to say they can get down to the 800s by news. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Look at them dump.
The pace this thing is going, we'll get there. We'll get there real soon. Don't even trip.
10 a.m. incoming for buys. Maybe this is a fake out. I don't know, bro. I don't know if it's a fake out. This is a lot of selling going on right now. And ES already changed character.
What's their definition?
NQ is trying to change character.
Right? Like this doesn't change the bullish character. It's changing the intermediate character. We're finally getting a validated high. That's all. But inside of the bullish strength that we have, like this is just a pullback, guys. Zoom out here. Let me zoom out for you. All right, let me zoom out for you. All right. Is this a great opportunity to short the market? Yeah, but I didn't get what I wanted. The market didn't give me a pullback. So now the 4-hour can come all the way back down to 796. Right? Like with no problem. We can get down here, no problem. And it still could be just a higher low being put in. You know what I mean? Like we could come all the way down to 776 and it would still be a higher low. Just to give you a little bit context. So this could be quote unquote a fake out, but this is a 100 or 200 point move to the downside right here to get there. So I don't know what your definition of a fake out is, but my definition is make money. Right. And if the money is to the short side, you take the short move. The market just didn't develop the way that I would like it to develop. I like this development here inside of 932. So we're going to remain bearish. I like to see us pull back into 932 to roughly about 954. And I'll look to participate in this short, but I'm not going to take that initial dump because that's just not the way that I trade. Right. I know where my levels are and I know what I want to do. So, just be confident in that. All right. We're tapping in the previous all-time high on NQ. So let's see what we do. That's the London liquidity down there, or that's what is that? That's Tokyo. Yeah, that's Tokyo. We still got a ways to go to get down to Sydney. Like Tokyo and Sydney are all the way down here at 849. So previous day high at 837 could be a target in play. I still feel
I'm looking at.
long in the market. Just
I'm looking at this low volume node area between like 5.355 and 5.350 on ES. There's a really nice low volume on the SVP, so that's what I'm watching right now. If we come back up there, I'll look for shorts. But other than that, we are bouncing off my demand zone, but we're too close to news, and that was really, really bearish. I need to see some type of shifting character before I try to long the market. So I'd rather just go with the overall trend, which is down right now. Once we sweep London long and hold for life. It don't matter, Mr. Pot Scrapers. You ain't gonna trade it. You said you done, right? Or am I wrong? I'm wrong. Let me mark this in a second. 96275 NQ sell area. Yep. What up, Hayes? Bearish fair value forming on the 5-minute. Yep. NQ. If it does become inverse, I might throw another 50 micros. So you're looking for the inverse fair value gap. Did he let you go, bro? Yeah. He let me go. I escaped. That's exactly what happened, Hayes. He took me to Barbados. He took me to Barbados, and I escaped out of there.
I'm done with our freaking chat, bro. Did he let you go, bro?
Oh my God. Well, that was
very careful.
All right. Man, I was hoping we was gonna buy up right. Market, what are you doing?
Here they come.
There goes that 1 hour. It's 1 hour off my chart. I was really hoping that we was gonna buy up right there. Like that was really
You're not watching NQ then. You gotta be watching ES. NQ swept that shit. They are 100% buying this shit.
Well, we flushed, but we came right back up though. Yeah, but I didn't want it to sweep though. Holy crap! Caught that spike.
I mean, it's
nice. Eddie going full short mode right now.
Damn, Eddie is on a mission today. He going full
he was
kill count. Let's go.
At 9K. Nice, good job, Eddie. Good job.
That's nuts. Keep going, man. Keep going, bro. You might as well finish it. Today's the day. The volatility's here. Keep going. Keep going. You might as well finish
skip
it,
it down.
You didn't buy it.
Said that rhythmic is odd today. Huh? That's weird. That's weird that rhythmic is acting up.
Rhythmic is odd today.
Yeah, I think he's saying that his rhythmic. I've had that problem with rhythmic before. That's why I went back to Trade Evade because I didn't like rhythmic, man. That one day it screwed me. I was like, yeah, I'm not doing that no more. NY section makes bag holders of Asia and Europe. Yeah, that's true. People who buy and hold overnight gonna wake up and cry. Yeah, 920 is the level. What up, True? How's it going, my brother? What's up, brother? 500 away from being funded on my first account. Yeah, man. What's up? What's up, brother? Tuesday. Anyway, 500 away from being funded on my first account, gentlemen. Nervous AF that I'll self-sabotage. Hey, man, you'll be all right, bro. I've been there. I was $200 away from being funded, and then I went down 800. Then I went down 1,000. Now I'm back to being $900 away from being funded on my account. So trust me, I know the struggle's real once you start getting close. But like Hop said, just do what got you there. You know, don't be afraid. Hell yeah, paper trading. You've been subpoenaed to a Diddy party? Hell no. Bakaya said he got that spike too. Let's go, Bakaya.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Party my ass.
Y'all fucking hilarious.
Yes, market is flowing and going. Still looking extremely bearish right now. We've had zero type of pullbacks right now. This has been tough. PD said I'm 600. Let's go. $600 away. Yeah, I'm 900 away right now. I'm looking to trade 2 minis on ES and just catch a quick 10-point move. I'll be happy, but we'll see. Just being patient. Just trying to wait for a setup. Why not? No Diddy. No. 2 minis is 1 mini on NQ. So.
Jesus, ES.
It's the same.
Jesus, ES.
Yeah, ES is flushing. Jesus Christ. I just cannot chase this. I cannot chase this.
839 is the previous day high. 5328 on ES is the daily fib. So we could be coming back to that 50%. ES is filling its gap right now. ES's gap is being filled right now to the downside. So that's a good sign that I think NQ has a lot more downside to go. Like I think NQs can come down to at least 793. So
yeah, I'm looking to see what we do at 53.28. I got a pivot point down there. I'm just curious to see what we do down there. We probably won't take it, but
I thought you weren't using those no more.
Yeah, I put them back on my chart. They worked out. I was watching gold yesterday before I had to do what I had to do. And man, we bounced so nice off of a pivot point. I said, Jesus Christ. But
you know, Justin, he'd be embarrassed to talk about anything.
Anyway, live feature said, what would Diddy do? I don't know what Diddy would do. Trend day down in a big way. Yeah. We're trending down hard. Miss Pot Scripper says 962 need to get filled, then become inversed, or else I'm not buying. Yeah, don't put your paper trading account at risk on this. You know what I'm saying? VIX woke the fuck up today. Yeah, it did. We won today, Bears. Boy been trying to short this market for I don't know how long. Boy been trying to short this market for I don't know how long.
I want lower. I wanted to come lower. We're almost where I'm interested. I want lower. I want lower. Go lower. Lower. They're buying already. These some bitches can't even wait. All right, let's see where the 50% of this entire move is. I think that's probably going to be a good idea. Get something to look for here. So the move started Wednesday. Here, this is a level that I don't have on my chart yet, so I want to see where this is at. All right, this is 50%.
Let's go.
50% is right at the gap fill too. Okay, all right, bet. 53. Let me mark that on this chart right here.
Hey, we still haven't hit that 1 hour demand yet. It's like nutty. It's like nutty. Fill those gaps, nutty. Fill those gaps.
Gaps get filled, bro. They coming. Pretty sure we posted it. When we come down like this with no structure, this is a liquidity sweep if I ever
like
seen
to get
one.
filled.
Bro, ES is back down to the daily fib right now.
Good Lord.
Let's get it.
This selling volume has been very, very strong. Very, very strong.
Yeah, right. When they wanted the whole time, like that's what every bear says, and then we go right back up.
I did not get neutered. That did not happen.
Same thing y'all said.
I did not get neutered.
And 17.
500 points. Gold
and
still
16.
running. Gold moving. Oh no, yeah, gold dumping. Jesus, gold is dumping.
Mm-hmm.
Good Lord.
We shooting for that gold right now.
We're in super discount.
Warning.
Since yesterday. We might see 500 point run up. Maybe.
Mayday. All right, there's a tap into 5-4. 5-4 to midnight and 819 is I'm very interested in, guys. So just FYI.
Everybody is so bullish right now that like the bears are just killing it because everybody's so bullish. And every single time the market tries to buy up, we fail.
Bears, these ain't bears, bro. These profit takers. These motherfuckers are in super duper profit. These ain't bears.
Well, yeah,
but Bears would have built structure so they couldn't come right back up. This is not bears, bro. This is profit taking.
Yeah, but I think the way I'm starting
we got this huge gap fill down here.
No, but the way I'm starting to look at this is like, I think people are starting to panic out their position. Like retail might be starting to panic out of their positions and they're starting to sell because of how aggressively we just came down. But we'll see. Yeah, we did come down.
What position would they need to panic sell out of? They've been in profit since since yesterday. Yeah, like unless they're swing traders, right? Like they should have been out at that all-time highs. Like what could have been your only, like what was your target if it wasn't the all-time high? You know what I mean? Everything else would have been just a projected guess. So
they definitely made a new.
I think they're all taking profit. Yeah. 18.5425 through roughly about 18.20 is what I'm eyeing on NQ, guys. That's the gap fill, previous day high, midnight, and that's the sweep of the session, right? Like that's the session sweep right there. So that area is very, very key to me. This area is very, very key to me. So let's see what happens after we sweep the whole thing. And the fact that we're sweeping it this early just makes me extremely bullish.
Well, now look at the stocks though. Look at Google. Google's selling off hard, and NVIDIA's starting to sell down as well. Mm-hmm. So is Microsoft. So yeah, they just added 1,000 orders of selling below or above, and they're filling it too. Oh my God. Okay, well they just got that filled. Mm-hmm. This will be interesting.
Oh, I hope y'all motherfuckers didn't get caught long in these pullbacks, blowing it at every swing.
Yeah.
A recipe for disaster. Trade in the left side of the chart today.
A recipe for tilt, man. Did he
I already know. That's why I took my hands. That's why I took my hands off the wheel a long time ago, bro. I'm like, I already know what's about to happen. I was like, if we don't pull back and build some structure, everybody's going to try to get long. But if the market just flushes straight down, everybody gets fucked. Every single my tape stopped. It's so much fucking selling going on. Like my tape just stopped working. It's frozen. This is wild.
Yeah. We are
aggregating market data events in order to keep up Consider some add-on instruments to decrease the load. Jesus.
Lord, you need to update your book. Oh my God, bro!
It's coming down.
Great selling. Jim Jones in the building says, I thought gold would go up since NQ and ES was going down. I closed my short on gold. Yeah, gold is selling off right now too. I took a peek at it. Gold's down 1.44%. Jesus Christ. We read that. Sell in May and go away. Don't come back till Labor Day. Okay, we're getting some buying now. Some buying is finally starting to step into the market a little bit, but I still want to long this. Nope. 9:30. Everyone taking profit as predicted. Yeah, you did predict it. That's what I would do if I bought earnings calls. Yeah, I would have sold. If I would have bought earnings calls and NVIDIA, I definitely would have sold. 1000%. Good morning, all. What did I miss? I just got done working the night shift. You missed impressive sell-off. About to screen record this sell-off and upload it to the hub. Wait. That's funny, Hayes. That's actually funny. Just so you can show how many people got fucked. Oh, I most definitely longed the market with 50 minis. I want to feel the pain. Good Lord. What?
Where's the did that news already drop?
Oh yeah, the news dropped at 9:45 and we sold off.
We got more news coming in 2 minutes.
Yeah, I think we got new home sales coming out, which is yellow folder news or orange folder news.
All right, we're at previous day high right here, guys, at 839. Another very important area for the market. You see buyers start to fill in down here. In my opinion, this is just a retracement to go higher. That's how I'm looking at this.
We just need to wait for 10 a.m. We'll see. Flexi Trade 5-pack 50K account with Quantower is dope AF. Has a copy trader built in to easy to navigate. You can set up lockout losses. I just profited on Top Step Apex Flexi Trade done for the day. Nice custom. I think you were telling us about Flexi Trade. I haven't really looked too much into them though. All right, we're getting some nice consolidation down here, which I like. Let's see if we continue to kind of consolidate down here. We have done nothing but sell. Buyers got to get active a little bit, right? Check on the stocks. NVIDIA's still trying to come down. Apple's kind of consolidating. Microsoft is coming down. It filled the gap, came down, and Google also filled its gap, and it looks like it's starting to kind of try to build some structure to reverse as well. So this might be a good area to look for longs.
Damn, NVIDIA really didn't sell off though, huh?
No, it had one nice 5-minute candle, but it hasn't really done anything else.
Flushed.
Yep, everything else came down pretty aggressive.
I like when we come down like this. I really do.
On top of that, the VIX has one big ass candle to the upside.
Mm-hmm. So see what we do down here. This is the objective being close to being met. So I see a lot of buyers stepping into the market down here. We'll see what we do.
Same buying.
I think we could come down another 20, 30 points, but they're adding a lot of liquidity on the books. See that ad down there, guys? See how interested they are at this level? Look at the double bottom here, right? Like they're starting to be very interested in this area, which makes me interested in this area, right? But the one thing that I'm working on today is like starting positions. So I'm gonna start like one micro here, understanding that this may not be the bottom, but I want to start a position here and then just build a position. If we sweep one more time, right, then I'll look to add another position. I'm looking at this as the potential shoulder, right? And then we'll come down one more time to put that head in. I'll add another position. And then once we put that right shoulder in, I'll add the full position. in regards to building a position. Just something I'm trying out a little differently, as opposed to continuously getting stopped out because I'm in too early. I'd still rather buy there, understanding that I'm in at the right area, right? Expecting the reversal to happen here. So I'm in my first micro position at 856. But that way I'm allowed to I'm allowed to put myself in a trade much sooner, right? But also understanding that trade will most likely result in some drawdown, but build my position from there. And that way I'm not afraid to put the trade on at that area. And if these trades start to work out aggressively much further, then I can start using those as just like scalp positions, as opposed to playing one micro. Maybe I trade 3, take the scalp, and then allow it to push back down. But allowing myself to see it work out over and over and over again is the important part. I knew that I had an identified area. I knew we had a gap fill here. I knew there was previous day high. I knew there was midnight price from yesterday. There's multiple reasons to be a buyer here. That doesn't mean that the first buy is the right buy though. The first buy is normally the fuck you buy, right? Like, nice try, thanks for playing. Now we're gonna sweep your low, right? But that's why I'm only giving it the 1 micro, right? So good trade, bro. Good trade on the shorts.
Nice. Good job. Good job.
You just need to text. Yeah, I think we come down lower. I think we come down much lower, but I'm okay with starting a position here. Just something I've been wanting to try. Try starting positions as the price, like understanding that, okay, drawdown will be a part of it, but I mean, I'm going to be in drawdown no matter what most of the time, right? So I'd rather kind of just try this with smaller size, see what happens. Yep, settlement, below settlement price would be my, hey, I'm done adding. But see, with one micro, what I'm really risking, $200 per trade, my stop is at 756. Settlement is at 787, right? Like, if I wanted to risk the full on, amount, I would have to be risking 756. But I'm not going to let it get to 756. My invalidation point is below settlement's low, right? Like, this low right next to settlement is 767. So that's my invalidation point for the trade. But that trade, all in all, only cost me 757, 787. Yeah. So that trade cost me $132, right? So I'm willing to risk $136 to potentially build a position. If the market continues to sell off all day, then I'm just wrong, right? And I'm cool with that. First attempt at changing character on the 1 minute. Potential consolidation here, but go ahead, Jeff. What were you gonna say?
I was gonna say, it looks like on the ES we're trying to put in a double bottom right here.
Yeah,
we're holding pretty nicely, but check on these stocks. You got Apple's kind of consolidating. Microsoft is taking another leg to the downside. Microsoft's trying to rally, and NVDA trying to rally as well. The market just looks weak. Yeah, I'm kind of with you on that, Valdez. I'm looking at some of these low volume areas on my chart, and until we start breaking above some of these low volume areas, I'm just not comfortable taking the market long.
If this position goes without slamming on the brakes, my target is 93125 for the micro. I'll cut it off if we go up there. Yeah, I mean, I like the area. I like everything about it, but no, go ahead, bro. What's up?
What up? What
Gucci,
up?
man, Gucci. Oh, flat. Market came straight down. Looking for longs in this area. We're at the gap fill. We're at the previous day high. We're at midnight price. Settlements beneath us by about 30 or 40 points. So I started one micro position here, expecting a sweep. But if we go, my micro position target is 931 if it doesn't sweep from here. But if it sweeps from here, then I'm looking to add more until we get below settlement. The low on the PM session low is my invalidation point at about 766. So just trying something a little different here. I'm sorry. Yeah, 766. Damn, is that the low? Yeah. Well, I mean, the market's been in consolidation, so.
Yeah. Oh Lord. That's a lot. Hello, it is time to upgrade to multi-screen. Let's go custom. This will immediately pump up after NQ fills the gap. Didn't it? Isn't it filling the gap now? Didn't it fill its gap already? Or did it just tap?
Yes,
oh no, it just tapped. Yeah. Liquidity void will get filled. People are sharing options mainly, I think. Oh, selling. 5343 is an order, or 5343 order block test. LOL, the fuck you buy. 10 a.m. sweep, 9 a.m. low. Waiting for a bullish fair value gap. Home sales is hotter than expected. Boom, silver bullet. Oh wait, hold up. Custom barbecue. Thank you for the $10 donation. Hobbs, go ahead and drop that bomb.
I can't. I'm not wearing. I broke my headphones. I don't think it works. Can you hear it?
Oh no,
it doesn't work.
Well, so damn. Anyway,
wait. Can you let me finish my sentence?
Yeah. Go ahead.
I don't have my Bluetooth headphones. My studio headphones are broken, so I'm wearing my Bluetooth headphones. No. So it's not connected to the Manocaster. So boom box.
Well, anyway, so drop the bomb for the boom box.
The boom box, man. All right, trapping more sellers down here at these lows. Again, long from 856 with one micro. I'm hoping for a liquidity sweep, but I don't think we'll get it. My target's 93125 on one micro. So that's let's see if this micro can do its job and hit its target.
Let that micro work.
Again, invalidation point is very low drop from here, so.
Home sale. Oh yeah, I read that. Boom, silver bullet. Haha. I don't know if boom and silver bullet should be in the same sentence together, Mr. Posker.
I feel like boom and silver bullet should not be used in the same sentence. Like, I feel like that's a Diddy moment right there.
Think so. Think this is, all the news is out.
Yeah,
10 a.m. news was the last one.
Joe, like, yeah, good. Time to go long.
Battle of the 9 EMA, 5324, 75 bullish order block. We'll see. Oh, nice.
Okay,
good job.
Good. Let's go. Yeah, I got long at 856. So good, man. Yeah, it's all good, brother. We appreciate you. I'm about to be done with this trade. I'm coming for stops now. Thank y'all. Told y'all, just be patient, man. We'll come down here. I told y'all what was gonna happen, man. We was gonna come down here, look bearish as hell, and then the more bearish we got, the more bullish I got, because the market don't move like that. When the market sweep like that, You know it's coming back up. You know it's coming back up. All right, I'm up $80 on this freaking micro, so I'm gonna go ahead and lock in some profit here. Yeah. My target, I'm gonna deleverage my risk. My target is 93125.
Yeah, we're in that low volume spot now, so I'm curious to see what we do.
Yeah. I kind of want to leave my stop where it is, but I really like, you know what, I'm gonna leave it where it is. I'm gonna leave my stop down here. I'm gonna risk the 200 because I think we come down again, right? And I think when we come down, it may be a little more aggressive, but I'm gonna leave my stop where it is. I'm not gonna play with it, deleverage and all that stuff. Yeah, no, I'm just gonna trust my stop. I mean, my stop is 100 points away. I'm in one micro, so it's like I can be 100 points off. Yeah, if I'm off by 100 points, then fuck it. Like I'm literally in the wrong direction. Yeah,
Bad day to be a bull.
Exactly.
They gave me
they're gonna sweep.
They came back
They're gonna
down.
sweep. They're gonna sweep. No. I'm looking for a liquidity sweep of this low. If they don't come back, I'm gonna be really pissed. Yeah, if they don't come back, this micro's gonna have to do wonders today because I'm not selling this bitch if they don't come back. Like, y'all better come back. Yeah, you better fucking come back, motherfucker. Of course they're not gonna come back. The market hates me. The market hates me, bro. The market hates me, bro. The market was like, I was gonna size it to 5. Yeah, the pain is on the winner, exactly. Just passed my first eval. Does the PA work the same? Yeah. You talking about on Top Step or Apex? Osama. Wait, Osama? Kamaladen? What is happening right now? Osama Kamadine? Say, can you spell that in a way that I understand how to read it? I'm just curious.
Osama Kamal Adin. That's how you pronounce it.
Don't you hate when motherfuckers try to tell you how to say a word and then they go and do the same shit you did to pronounce
what you mean? I said Osama Kamal Adin. He said that was perfect.
He's like, yeah, this is how you read it. Oh, that was perfect? Oh, damn.
I told you.
You do a good job. I hate. I hate the way that you walk. I hate the way that you dress. I think this might have been the lower day. If this is the lower day, if this is the lower day, this micro about to do the Lord's work. I would just keep adding to it all day. That's it. I'm pretty sure the market wants up, guys. I think it wants up in a big way. So, oh, Jay spell it perfectly. Jay got Arabic Nights. Yeah, he got Arabic. AOA Osama. Wait, what's? Oh, Assalamu alaikum. Is that what that means? See, I caught that one.
Are you sure?
Camille Adine. Great group here. Thanks, man. Thanks, Trading Yoga Girl. I got it.
It's Kamal Adin. Kamal. Like Jamal, but Kamal.
I want one more sweep. I think we could sweep one more time to sweep this low.
I'm seeing some weakness on ES, honestly, up here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking to short ES back down to the low. I'm seeing some weakness. I'm just trying to see if they're actually gonna start to try to sell this. But I'm seeing some weakness.
Okay. Still see that weakness?
Not. I'm seeing some. I'm seeing a little bit of weakness.
Bro,
a
why
little bit
would
of
you
struggle
short?
up here.
All right, never mind. No, there's no.
The gap hasn't flipped for me.
On ES, the gap didn't fill. The gap was at 53.40.
Oh, I know that gap. I know that gap got filled. I know that.
So what gap are you trying to fill?
I'm looking at a low volume node. If the low volume nodes flips, then yes. But
if it's a low volume node, shouldn't it be pushing through it, not rejecting?
I'm looking for the rejection of the low volume node.
Why would the market reject the low volume area? Wouldn't it reject the high volume area?
Well, I mean, it can reject that too, but the low volume area is an area where the market didn't find fair value, so it ran through it quickly. So, I know the same thing. So that means that price didn't buyers and sellers didn't agree on that area. So when price comes back up to retest that area, a lot of times it'll fail. It is what
a low volume area
means.
No, a low volume area means that the opposite party wasn't interested in that area, right? Like, so if a low volume area is created, it's because something of high volume is pushing through it, right? So a seller is pushing through a low volume area. Well, that means that there's no buyers interested in that area, right? Is that what that means?
It means
because somebody was interested. It just two parties weren't interested, but somebody was very interested in passing through. Sellers were interested in passing through.
So then they'll look to defend that position. I got short at 53.325. I'm short. I'm up about 2 points right now, but we'll see what happens.
Okay. I wasn't asking whether. Okay.
No, I know. I'm just letting them know. I'm just letting you know. But yeah, for low volume nodes, a lot of times they get rejected. This is the same thing as a fair value gap, right? Like a fair value gap, it's fair value because the market moved through it quickly. So when we come back up and retest it, those same sellers that didn't want price to be up there, they look to reload in that area because they don't like price there.
But the fair value gaps aren't created because the market moved quickly. It's just about the distance and that the market moved. It doesn't have to happen fast.
No, it's not.
A low volume node is.
No, because a lot of times low volume nodes and fair value gaps are essentially the same thing. Like it's not that the market moved through a low volume node moved through a fair value gap, and it didn't wick, like it didn't get retested. Like there was no wicks, and the reason why there's no wicks there is because of the fact that because the market moves straight through. And normally, if you look at it, a low volume node and a fair value gap tend to be the same thing. I guess that's what I'm saying. Right now I'm trying short, but the market's finding a little bit hard to sell down right now. So
breaking. Antonio Brown filed for bankruptcy and currently owes 8 creditors nearly $3 million.
Yep. I saw that. He in trouble.
This guy cannot help himself.
No, he cannot. That's Antonio Brown for you, though. I thought he was going to make a lot of money off his podcast, but he didn't.
Oh boy. And probably because he's just too damn ignorant. Nobody want to come listen to his ad.
Yeah, he had Tyreek Hill on there, but all right, I'm up about 6.5 points right now on this short, so it's looking good. I'm up with 2-1 right now.
Let's get it.
Just hoping to push down to this low.
Are you? I was gonna say, are you looking to get the 2-1, or are you looking to get to your target?
I'm looking to get to funded, baby. I'm only $200 away. I need 2 more points.
Okay.
Almost there. Almost funded, y'all. We're so close. I'm at 900 right now. I just need this to break down 1 more point. And of course...
I'm fighting for my life right now. I'm fighting for my life right now.
Just give me 1 more little push to the downside. Come on. Come on. Thank you.
Let's get it. See, now I feel bad that I don't have the Manocaster on, right? I can't do the fucking horns. Let's go.
Almost. Come on. Almost. I'm at 900 right now. I just need this to dump.
Oh, goddamn time, baby. Let's go.
I see one more strong push down. Oh, okay. I'll share this.
There we go. It's on it. You should be seeing it. Careful right here, man. Careful right here.
Yeah.
Nah, it's not frozen. It's moving for me.
Come on, just push. Give me 1 little push. Give me 1 little push. Come on. Yeah, I'm on ES. Oh yeah, the TP is down here at the low, but it looks like we're struggling right here. Oh, come on. Yeah, that was a pretty bullish
that's a higher
bullish candle on the 2 minute. Yeah. Yeah, I'm still holding.
He said, "Yo, he is though. This shit don't matter."
Yeah, that was either a rally base. That was either a drop base drop, or we could be coming back up. I don't know yet. We'll see. Yeah. I mean, I can't lose. It'd be unfortunate to be. Yeah, right. I can hold this, and it is what it is.
Why don't you take?
Oh, no, I'm good. I'm chilling. I'm not selling this position. Yeah, I'm not selling. Like, either this is gonna hit my TP or it's gonna hit my.
Hola, Ivan. Hola.
My stop.
What's going
my
on,
break
brother?
even. I'll take like a little bit for the fees. Take a little bit for my trouble, but other than that.
Yeah, there's no aggressive buying coming out of this area just yet. But
yeah,
these bulls always got some shit up their sleeve. Probably going lower, yeah. I think we'll go lower. I think we'll at least hit his profit target. I want 1 more sweep so I can add to my long position, but I think we'll definitely sweep this low. It's kind of what I was expecting. So we're gonna sweep the low. That's kind of what Justin's playing to right now. He's playing to the sweep of the low, and I'm playing to add to the position after the sweep of the low.
Yeah, I think we're coming down. I mean, that's another defense
Yeah, lack of buying at the high, more selling coming in. Here comes a sweep on NQ. Let's see if we get the sweep on ES as well.
Come on, sellers. Come on, sellers. Push, push, push.
VIX is at 45 too, so kind of supporting this move to the downside. I can't play nothing, man. I'm limited with my Bluetooth headphones, my studio headphones. I can do whatever, but can't do shit with these damn things.
What?
Huh?
Oh, just let this play out. I don't know what's gonna happen down here. We're at the low, so I mean, we could definitely bounce here. These buyers are definitely defending.
Yeah, I'm in long at 50-60 fine. Justin's in the short. I think that he could get what he wants if we sweep this low and come down lower. But I think this is a very dangerous spot for a reversal right here. So
It definitely is
we
dangerous.
did change character. We're supporting the low. It's very dangerous, but the market could sweep before it leaves this area. So we'll see what happens.
No, whatever happens, happens. It's all good. Yeah. Yeah, looks like we're gonna pop. Looks like we're trying to pop back up. So, see. We kind of failed to make that low. Nah, it looks like bulls are getting pretty strong here, so I might get stopped out for the $100, which is kind of unfortunate, but it's okay. If I would have taken a little bit more of an aggressive entry there, I would have got it. But I mean, the trade's not over with yet. We'll see. Maybe we fail on this.
There's other trades though. Like you could just take the 7, and take 200 later. You can't take 7 now, but
yeah, I can't take 7 now. Yeah, we'll see. Either way, I think I took a good trade. Everything was good, so.
NVDA looking to make a new high. This thing is nuts, bro. It's at 1041. It's freaking nuts, man. Come on, Susie from says. Yeah, we'll be there one of these days. You thought about it too, didn't you? Oh yeah, you wouldn't have sold it.
Yeah, you'd have to sell real quick.
Mm-hmm.
All right, stopped out there. Yeah, it's all good.
At least you can secure something.
Yeah, secured something. It's all good. It's gonna be really shitty. It's gonna be really shitty if we come down here. Oh my god. Talk about, oh my god, watch. Now it's gonna hit my profit target. Oh my god. Oh
He
my
didn't even. He
God.
put it to. He took it to a
I
point.
secured a point and got
Just
stopped
took him
out
for a
and watched.
point.
This is gonna go to my profit target. Oh, this is gonna be emotional damage.
This is fucking
Emotional
painful to watch.
damage. Oh,
That was painful to watch. That hurt.
no.
Oh, that shit hurt my soul.
Emotional damage.
You know how you watch your boy get beat down? It's like he goes to a fight, y'all all root for fighting, and then your boy come in there, he get knocked out the first round. You like, ooh, damn. Shit, bro. I thought you was gonna whoop this. You got some good licks here, bro. Like, yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, the dog holding
Just
price
pump.
up, going back into the
Just
thing.
pump.
What's the
I need this thing to
what's
pump.
the
Just
DOG,
pump.
Yvonne? Oh, it's gonna pump. Don't worry. It's going. Just give it time. That's my stop, fool. Justin just don't want this to pump before it sweeps. And
Just pump.
I kind of want it to sweep, but
Nah, I'm not going long here.
so you just go long, bro. Like, y'all can fight this shit if you want to. I've just capitulated to not fighting these bulls. And I even said it in my plan. I said if we come down aggressively, it's just to retrace. That means he's already long. But I said in my plan, I said if we come down aggressively, it's just to retrace. I was like, but if we build structure, I'm more inclined to believe it's a short. What did we do? We came down here in fucking less than 20 minutes. I was like, that's a retracement. I don't think it's a breakdown, right? Like, I don't think the market wants to continue overall. Like, the overall structure is up, right? So the idea that the market's going to continue dropping that would be a change of, you see what I'm saying? Like, that would be just like a change of the guard, basically, right? Like, I think that we could come down lower, but we're just short. The reason why I couldn't get short there is because that's literally 50% of this entire rally up. So if there's ever a level where the market's going to be interested in buying, it's going to be 50% of what they just sold, right? What they just bought, right? They're getting it now for 50% off, right? So just based off that context alone, like I just think that this is an area where I would not look to short lower than this because the market is at a very, very key area, right? So if we give this up, this is a new trend being put in, So, and I would just like to see those trends change before I change. Like, before I change my thesis, I want to see what happens at the very low, right? If this fails and we go lower, then I'm interested in shorts, but I gotta see. it. Right now, every day that we try to bet against the longs, the market been spanking our asses. Every day we wake up, the market does the same shit. It sweeps the low, it comes down, looks super aggressive. Everybody gets bearish. The first pullback, everybody's trying to short it back down, right? And then the market just keeps buying. It's like, fuck, man, like, this is crazy. And I agree, it is freaking crazy. But shit, can't beat them, join these motherfuckers. That's all I say. It's been like this all year, bro. It's crazy. This is crazy shit we living in. He's stupid. This is how our YouTube channel be giving advice to Justin. He said, "Gotta go box your wife now, bro. Let off some steam."
Lord. Box. You
Box.
want me to be in jail? You want me to die in prison? Right? You want me to Cassie her?
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's what I thought. I think we still might come down though. Like I think the market still might sweep this low, which is what I'm kind of hoping for because I want to add to my long, but I'm not gonna add until A, we sweep the low, or B, we get above the high and start making higher highs and higher lows. Then I'll start to add as we make higher lows because I think we go much higher. If we hold this level down here, I think we go much higher today. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, the market's still
I'm just in
holding
one
that low
micro.
day.
Exactly. So like we're making higher highs and higher lows down here, but we're failing to make a new high. So that's why I'm like not adding to the position yet. Like I like the area, I like everything about it, but until we get above the high, basically back above midnight price at 964, 958 range, I'm not really interested in adding unless we sweep this area. If we come down lower, I'll add. We go higher and start building structure, I'll add on the dips. Because I think this is the low of the day. That's what I think. I don't think the market's coming lower than this. That's what I think. But we'll see what happens. I would prefer it wasn't the low of the day. I would prefer that we go lower and, finish off this inverse head and shoulders. But, when does the market ever listen to me?
Yeah. It's like whenever we get into the market wants to start playing games. Yeah. I know it's not anything personal, but I take it personal. Yes.
It feels fucking personal. It feels personal. Look, and meanwhile, Tokyo and London, just buy, bro. Just buy. Tokyo and London, just buy. That's it.
Well, definitely is buying coming in though. Woo! Yeah, there's some buying.
Justin, do you feel like your inner greed got you a little bit with locking in like 400 or at least locking in like 2 to 1?
You're damn right. My greed got me.
Okay, I was trying to warn you, but I was like, I was watching him. I was trying to warn him, but I was like, man, he ain't gonna listen to me. Like he gone. I could see it in his eye, bro. He had that look of I don't give a fuck what happens. I'm holding for 2 more points. I'm like, but you could just take the 700 though, right? Like just take that shit off the table.
I could have.
You was up 8. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
You just needed to make 100.
Yeah.
No, I agree, Jonah. But at least,
it was tough. It was tough. I probably should have secured more, but I was up a 2 to 1. I was actually up a 3 to 1. So to be completely honest, not the greatest, but it was greed. I think it. Well, yeah, but at the same time, you know what it was? I think if this was my funded account and I was in that trade, there's no way I'm letting it come back that far. But I think because I was just really close to being funded, I just decided like, okay, either it's funded or bust. And the thing is like, I'm okay with what I did. Like, I'm not mad about it or anything. Like, I'm cool. I'm chilling. I'll take another trade and hopefully it'll be good. I mean, I basically bought myself, a trade and a little bit. I bought myself at least a trade where if I do lose, it won't be as big of a loser. So, because I'm up about $100, so I'm not too upset. Like, it sucks, but it'll be okay. Exactly. Yeah, I'm just gonna be patient. I don't want to take the long down here, even though longs do look good right now. I'm just gonna wait. I'll wait and see what we do. We're still not above my level yet, so I'm still viewing this as being bearish, but we did put in a lower high there, so the bulls are defending that low nicely.
What's bearish about it? What part of it is bearish to you? I'm just kind of curious how you. What is your view?
Just the fact that we haven't put in a new high above 337. Once we get above 337 and we kind of fill in this low volume node, then I'll be much more bullish.
But do you think that? What do you think about the equal lows at 53.2250? Do you think that's bullish or bearish?
That's bullish. That's definitely bullish.
What do you think about the higher lows at 53.24?
It's definitely bullish. It's definitely a bullish indication for sure.
Okay.
I mean, longs do look good.
Why you keep telling yourself it's bearish? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Because I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced yet that bulls wanna push price up higher yet. It could be. But I mean, if you think about it, though, I mean, think about this. If we're gonna push all the way back up to the high of 53.50, I mean, that's 20 some points away from the low right now on ES. So it'll give me a chance it'll give me a chance to get in long if longs are gonna go. And you think about it, right now we broken some major lows, so we're just consolidating.
I want another sweep. I want this thing to come back down some more. That's what I want.
I wanted to come back down some more too.
I'm so bullish. I want this shit to come down some more. I'm so bullish. I think Justin is so bearish that he's viewing it bullish. He's viewing it so bearish, but he's not wrong. Like at the highs, we're struggling, right? Like I was just asking what he thought about the lows. So I'm so bullish that I want it to come lower. Justin's so bearish that he's like, yeah, keep coming higher and I'll fucking short this shit back down. You know, it's just too. I mean, and I don't think neither one of us are wrong because we're reading the current condition, which is sideways, right? Like currently we're in consolidation, but I'm going with the overall trend. Justin's going with today's trend, right? So we'll see what happens.
Yep. Why is it so cold in here?
This is previous all-time high too from last night. 909.75. Yeah, the longer we stay up here, the more I feel like we're gonna come down a little bit, which I want. Here come the bears again.
Yeah, if we sell down, then I'll just look for us to come back up and fail. I don't want to short it right here because I think we'll come back up.
They're all like equal highs and equal lows. That's why I think we come down to fill this gap right here. I think we're just collecting more. We're trapping more buyers at the highs right now. We're trapping sellers at the low too. So we're just consolidating. You see that at the highs? You see it I think he should have got in. He should have got in at the equal high right there, or that lower high on ES. I think that was the entry if you believed in the short, right? Like if you wanted the short, that was the entry. That was the right shoulder, potentially. And this is what I was saying about like take the money while it's on the table, because you could have made the 7, right? And then came back and scalped it again for 2. Yeah. You only needed 2 points. You know what I mean? Because you're essentially just scalping right here. You're not trading. You are, but you're essentially scalping. So just scalp to that next low. Don't try to scalp to that sweep of the swing. You know, remember I was telling you, like, from now on, changing my targets to the top of that structure. I was like, because a lot of times when we consolidate, whichever party is in control won't let that low break. It'll just go to the high. I mean, it'll go to the high point of the low candle, the base of the candle. So see, now we're trying to trap the other party at the lows here. So let's see who wins. We're at discount. So what's up, bro? Falling wedge and rising wedges. Yeah. So right now we're creating a rising wedge right now.
Yeah.
We're creating a rising wedge, but I'm okay with the rising wedge because, at least for me, like I'm anticipating it dropping further, right? Like I just think if we get above the high, we're gonna keep going up, right? But I'm anticipating the drop. Right? And that's why I'm
where
only
I'm at
in
too.
1 micro, and that's where Justin was at too. He's like, I'm also anticipating the drop, but instead of starting a long position, I'm gonna short down to it and then get out because that's all I really need. He had the right idea, he just got greedy, right? Like when you saw the market like coming back up, it was time to go, and he knew that shit. He knew it deep down in his soul. He just didn't want to. He didn't want to do it because we all do it, right? Like everybody does. That's why it's like I was like, I could warn him or tell him. I was like, but I know he's not gonna do it. Yeah. I was like, he's not gonna listen to me because he's trying to pass the combine. He's not thinking about, hey, I can pass it on the next trade. He's trying to pass it right now. So which I understood. I mean, I wasn't mad at it. That's why I just backed off. I was like, well, this ain't my fight. This ain't my fight. This has got to be a fight with him.
But yeah, we're definitely in a range right now. So I think scalping this range is good. I probably should have taken that short up there, but it's all good. If we come back up and retest and we look weak, then I'll try to get in. But it looks like
1150 is
I'm not trading in the middle.
I'm gonna get out of this trade, right? Well, I'm gonna put my stop to break even on this trade. I think we sweep down, and if we're gonna sweep down, let me just take this off. Actually, no. Let's see if we hold 82. If we hold 82, I'll keep it on. It's gonna deleverage. He's stupid. He's saying, man, got 100 points stop. He gonna win the break even. No, I think that I want to take. I'm just talking about, like, I'm literally schooling Justin, not schooling him, but I'm talking to him about like taking the profit and then re-entering the trade. Meanwhile, I'm doing the same thing just on smaller size, right? And I'm seeing red flags, so I'm just gonna take my little money right here. And then if the market continues to push up, I'll re-enter the trade with the profits from that trade. I mean, I was up 50 points, right? Why do I need to give that back? That's just stupid. So we didn't hit my profit target, and I should have sold at the top. But you know what? There's profit on the table. And, why do I need to risk the whole 200, right? Like,
this is looking extreme
when I'm already up 100. Mm-hmm. And we're starting to look very bearish on the tape. So it's like, man.
Yeah, it is.
So why not just take that profit and then wait for the sweep if I'm still bullish and the market gives me what I want down at the lows? Go ahead and take it, And then also, Justin, like, consider leaving your stop at your stop loss and then adding to that position, right? Because if you were right and you had conviction in being correct, if you added, you would have got out sooner.
Yeah.
Especially in the combine, like, who gives a fuck? Like, have that conviction and then fucking add to that shit. Be like, nope, I'm gonna add, because you wouldn't do that for your real account, but the idea of adding isn't foreign for a combine. Fuck that shit. Get it funded. So
yeah.
The only thing I regret right there is not putting on a full 5, because I could have got 500 points. I could have got $500 twice right there. So let's see what happens right here. Maybe I'll add another one. Maybe I'll enter a new position long. We're actually looking really selly here. But if you notice that that 2 minute, on the 2 minute, we're starting to create that falling wedge back into structure, right? Look at the structure shifting right now, right? Back into structure and back into the 1050 macro, right? So right here would be a really good position for the market to reverse. So let's see what happens. I would prefer a sweep. Maybe 1150 brings us that sweep. But let's see what happens. You know what I want. You know what I want. Y'all know what I want already. It's not a foreign concept to what I want. So this just is looking really bullish right now. Okay. It's not a competition. It's just for me, I just look at this area as a very key area for bulls to control. And they have yet to take out the lows, right? We just keep holding the lows down here. So let's see what 1050 brings. Yeah, I mean, that's one of the flaws of being a trader, right? Like, sometimes you marry your bias, right? And the goal is to manage your position and focus on the capital, right? So for me, like, if I'm wrong, I'm just not going to put the trade on, right? And once I see all of this selling, go ahead. Now that I see all of this selling come in, yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. As long as you're, in my opinion, as long as you're switching your position in the right direction, the outcome has to be income. Yeah, the outcome has to be income. So For instance, right here. Now, I was just going to say, for instance, right here, the market is, we're both right? We're not wrong. Neither one of us are wrong in our thesis. Nobody is for buying or selling. As long as you're entering at the low to buy, which I did, I entered at 56. And as long as you're entering at the high to sell, you're not wrong, right? Like, you could trade this both ways, right? You're not wrong. The thing that's incorrect is holding too long in either direction, right? That's the management part that human emotions get involved with, right? That's where Justin, in my opinion, is probably going to regret that part of the trade, right? But you can't do shit about it. It's over. Like, it's done.
Yep, gotta
right?
move on.
If you got to move on, right? So does that make him wrong? Like, no. Exactly. No. I agree. I agree with you, and I think he knows that, right? Like, yeah. Your mic is really hard to talk over. I really hope you get that microphone in the mail today. Your mic fucking blows. I really hope you get that for good.
Yeah,
we can't even talk. You're not fixing it. You're definitely not fixing it. You're like, yo, check this out, man. Yo, check this out, man. Hey, listen here, young blood. Check this out, man.
What mic you got? What mic I hope you got like a short mic or something good.
Anything that connects well. That's all you need. You don't really need him to get it. We don't really need. I told him to put his Bluetooth headphones in, and they'd be better. Let's get it.
Tristan says sounds like a walkie-talkie.
All right, that was the rejection of all-time highs right there. And Justin's about to get that sweep. I think he might be back in short. If I'm not mistaken.
In short, y'all. I'm in short. I've been in short.
If he's being too quiet. He's been short.
Yeah, I'm back in short, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm right now. I'm up about $400.
Just don't be greedy, man. Just secure some bread.
I'm not being greedy this time. This time I'm watching for any red flags here. Right now, there's no red flags, so I'm good. I wish I would have gotten at the top, but I can't change that. But yeah, right now. All right, here comes some strong selling coming in.
Let's get it. Let's go, Justin.
I need about $300 more. I need three more points,
man. We can get to 53.20, bro. No problem.
I need to get to 53.20.75.
No, this is 1050 macro, guys. Be careful here. Mm, 1050 macro is 20 minutes, so you want to see where we are at 11.
But Hobbs is right though. Had I just taken the 200, I'd be funded right now. So that is kind of a.
He would have been funded.
Yeah, so that was a problem.
I'm not trying to knock you. I'm just saying, like, bro, like, think about the longer vision, right? Like, take the profit. It ain't gonna hurt you to get back. You can get back in another trade. You got all of these tools. You can get back in another trade, right? You nice with it, right? No question. So know that trust your skills enough to know that there's always another trade. Right? Yeah, and that's why I cut the position, because I'm like, you know what? I got some money on the table. I know I can see another trade, but I might be incorrect in my thesis. And if I'm incorrect in my thesis, I'm going to take my fucking money. Let's go get funded. One more point, Justin.
All right, that's a red flag.
No, 2 more points. I think we're going to sweep it. Yeah, I think they're going to sweep it.
I got my TP in.
Yeah, just start sliding down some profit. Like, what are you up, like 400 or 500?
I'm up 600 something. We're coming down though. Come on.
Let's go. We need 2 more points, bro. Plus this shit. All right, gap filled there. Aggressive selling coming in. Aggressive.
Okay, I'm out. There we
All
go.
out,
Funded.
Justin.
There
Let's
we
go.
go. All
Let's
out.
go.
Funded. Let's go.
Let's fucking go. God
That's
damn
it, y'all. That's
wish I
it,
had my
y'all. We
buzzers.
in there.
Hold
We
on, hold on.
funded.
Let's fucking go, baby.
We funded. That's
Hold on, I think I
53.
can do the buzzers.
That's 53. 53.
Let's get it.
Let's go.
Let's get it. Congratulations, brother. God damn.
Thank you.
Hey, somebody play the
Y'all don't know how long I've been
damn
struggling on this damn
time.
account. Jesus Christ. Bro, I've been struggling on this account for like 3 weeks to get it funded. I've been at 58, then back down to 56, then back down to
that account been
then,
through this.
bro.
That motherfucker better hold a special place in your heart, because that motherfucker been.
It's 50K.
Nah, it's okay.
Thank you.
All right, here
Yeah,
comes the push down. I'm glad I
Bro.
sold that position, because I would have been reverse right here. What you say your TP is?
Thanks, bud.
Good trade, bro. Good trade.
Thank you.
The VIX is continuing to push. This thing is dumping. Let's go. Oh, you would have got that and some. If you was in your funding, you could have held that shit all day.
Damn right. Thanks, James. Thanks, Void. Thank you.
Very good. And that invalidates my thesis right there. If we come down about another 50 points, I think I'm invalidated. But we're almost down to settlement.
We're moving.
Again, the market is very bearish today. So if the market wants to continue to be bearish, you can still look to long the market, but I'm going to wait till we come down a little bit lower. Right now, the shorts are absolutely crushing this market with the VIX pushing up. But Justin won his trade. I won my trade, right? After some thought process that what was happening up there at them highs, I'm like, all right, we swept the high and we failed. I'm like, that's it. I got to get out, right? Because once that selling starts coming in, it's like, you know.
Well, and I think that's the game that we was playing right there. Like we both saw the same thing, right? And like your longs were, and that's
very
why I
valid.
said
Like we both can be right, but you know, it's about how are you going to trade it.
I was just bearish. I was bearish as long as we stayed below 53.36 for me. But I said, hey, I'm gonna be bullish if we break that. Like if we break it, everything else is telling me, okay, it's time to be a bull now. But until then, I'm gonna be a bear. And so, you know, I did get in short late, but I'm glad I got in because I would have been sick had I not taken that short where I did.
Yeah, you would have been disgusted.
I'd have been so mad. So
that one would have hurt.
That one would have haunted
me. Man. That's how you do
but
it,
luckily,
bro. Like just stop thinking about it so much and just fucking take the trade, bro. Like
I saw an area of consolidation where I liked it. Thank you, Eddie. I saw the area of consolidation on that drop where I liked it, and I was like, okay, well, we're not coming up any higher than this. Let me just try a short here. I think I was risking like $200, something like that. So I was like, okay, I'm cool with that.
And you stuck with your thesis, right? And you, even though you took a little bit of a blow, you got right back on the horse, right? That was something that you was kind of struggling with before. So, like, doing that today is a big growth point, man. That's dope, bro.
Thanks, Shay.
That's dope.
Appreciate it.
Let's get it.
You did, Jonah.
I supported you with those shorts. yeah. That's on Jonah on folks now.
Jonah said, "Nah, them shorts still good, bro. Them shorts still good."
Yeah. No, I think they're good. They 5306, 5303. We seem to be coming right back down to that 1 hour demand from yesterday. So let it keep flushing. That to me was a turning point for me, right? Like the first turning point was, we'll see. This one is more like, all right, cool. But did I lose money? No, I made money, right? I made money on the potential scalp. I started a position. Once I saw that the market was reversing at those highs, the all-time high from last night, I was like, that's a red flag for me, right? And my thesis started to shift, but it didn't shift enough for me to participate in the shorts. It's okay to be wrong. It's not okay to stay wrong. And this is the lesson I was giving Valdez yesterday when I was like, bro, you know you're fucking wrong, right? Why fucking stay wrong? Just hit the fucking exit and clear button. Take your bread and bounce. So when I saw that I was potentially turning incorrect, right, I said, okay, if I'm wrong, fuck it, I'm out. Right? But now we're getting my liquidity sweep here. So let's see what happens.
He said he laughed at us, Jonah. You stupid.
I definitely laughed at y'all. I was like, y'all motherfuckers crazy. But what I mean, I laughed at y'all motherfuckers ecstatically, emphatically. because the market is overall bullish, right?
Yeah, but all I'll say is, Hobbs, remember one of the things that we always talk about is remember when even though I know the market's overall bullish.
Wait. Let me hold on. Before you go any further, let's be clear that Hobbs lost no money.
No,
Hobbs
I know.
managed his position and won the trade. So
I'm not.
I don't understand.
No, I'm not saying
the problem. Like we
all.
No.
I'm not saying anything about the trade you just took. No, I'm not saying anything about the trade you just took. What I'm saying is these are the days when we look back and we're like, damn, man, the market was bearish all day, and we just would have like stayed with the trend. We would have been just fine on the day. That's all I'm saying. Is I just don't want us to look back and again be like, damn, man, we fought this downtrend all day, and we knew it was bearish, and we were still trying to long the market because we were so bullish. That's all I'm saying.
No, but again, I agree with you, but that's why I put invalidation points in place.
Yeah, no,
right?
And you did a great job managing the trade.
I'm not talking about the trade. I'm talking about what I'm looking at right now. The market is still bullish to me until we get below a certain level, right? Like, yes, the current conditions of the market is bearish, but the market is coming back up as long as certain things start to happen, right? Right now, this is the first one, right? I told you guys what was going to happen up there. I don't know why we acting like I didn't say this. I literally said, we're changing character and we're going to sweep this low and then we're coming right the fuck back up, right? That's exactly what happened. The market is not bearish, is my point. Like, I get what you're saying, but the market isn't bearish. It's bullish, right? Only thing that happened was that the market needed to close all of those gaps from all of that buying that we did, right? Yeah. And that's what I said. That was my original thesis this morning. Like, nothing's changed about my thesis. The only thing that changed about that area was I changed my mind about adding to the position. I said, you know what? I'd rather just take this profit here, even though I know we're going to sweep this liquidity, because we have to put in ahead of the inverse head and shoulders, right? Yeah. Let's see now if the buyers want to step in and take us back above the high, and then we change character on a higher time frame, and we come back down to retest the previous day high to put in the right shoulder, right? Yeah. What I'm saying is both parties are correct. The sellers are 100% correct. But the buyers are also in control of the entire day. This is the 1050 macro, and look what we're doing right at 50% of the macro. We're going back up. That's all I'm saying. Right? Yeah. I think that you're 100% correct. Like, these are those days, but that's only when we're trading the opposite of the trend, right? Like, yeah, if I didn't take those shorts up at the top, go ahead, brother. Go ahead. Done with what? Oh, my soliloquy. He said, I know you got one more, Hobbs. Well, what I was gonna say is, no matter what, to me, look, when the market came down, to me, I said, okay, well, we're coming down, but let's see what we accomplish, right? And once we didn't accomplish breaking the low, it was time to get long, right? So, go ahead about this.
Yeah, your mic is good. Thank God. Mm-hmm. Appreciate it. Yeah, no, you're right. It's a daily battle for sure. 100%. I think we have our ups and downs, and my biggest thing I'm trying to do is I'm trying not to allow my emotions to swing with my P&L, which I do allow a lot. So I'm just trying not to do that, because I definitely was like really close to funding it, and then not close, and then really close again, and then not close. So and the sad part is, and Hobbs will yell at me for this, is I took some damn good trades on some other accounts that would have funded that account, but I was just a little bitch. I'll be a little bitch. I was scared. Honestly, I was scared to put the risk on. And we had a talk, I think it was over the weekend, that was like, yo, just stop being a bitch and just take it. It's a fun. It's an account you're paying $4.25 for. Who cares?
That's right? What I told him. I said what I told you was. No, what I was going to say is what I told him was your risk. Stop thinking about your risk to reward as each trade. I said your risk per trade in that account is $4.50. That's your risk. That's the truth, right? Like the account costs $4.50 or $20. So your risk is that. Yeah. Every time the account resets, that's what you're paying, period. So all of the other fear that you're feeling off of this fake ass P&L is it's all being imagined by your brain. Like it's all being placed there by your brain. Your brain is putting that there. It's making you be fearful of something should not be fearful, right? And that's the problem, right? That's where the problem lies for us, is that we sit here and we put so much value on, all of these fucking accounts and the P&L, and it's like, bro, how much does the account cost? It costs you $4.50. Man, you better YOLO that bitch. Like, let's go. You know what I'm saying? Like, if the motherfucker told me on the block, like, bro, I'm gonna give you $4.50, but you got the opportunity to make as much money as you want per week. You gonna do damn near, minus the Diddy shit, damn near whatever it takes to make that happen. Right?
Minus the Diddy.
You're gonna do whatever it takes. Right? So why is trading any different? Right? Why?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? There's no difference. And look at these bulls coming fucking acting assholes down here, just like we talked about.
Yeah, as long as it's looking good. I know you're already in.
Me?
Yeah. Probably tonight.
He said probably right away, motherfucker. That's what I'm activating.
Yeah. Yeah, a few funded in the wing. Yeah. I agree when they're this cheap. Yeah, no, that's what I'm doing. I'm too micro in my on ES. No, he's 10 micros on NQ.
Said he 10 minis. That's it. Said I'm 10 minis in.
But
so it is what it is.
Two minis on ES is the same as 10 micros on NQ. So thanks, bot. Appreciate it. On Top Step X, you can, yeah. Yeah, you can trade 20 micros or 2 minis. Because they on Top Step X, they have the mini to micro conversion now, so you could play in the combines 50 micros, or once you get funded, you can play 20 micros until you build up the account. So it's pretty much just like, to me, Top Step is now the best prop firm out. Like there's nobody better than Top Step right now. Is this Apex that's that cheap? We're talking about Top Step, we're talking about Top Step. So what happened with Top Step is when Top Step X first got announced, if you signed up for the for like their trial where you signed up and they gave you a free Top Step X account. So if you signed up for that, to reward you basically for helping them out, they gave everybody 5 accounts that were $4.25 a month or something like that. And so that was dope. And then they just released Top Step X. If you're in this long, you're killing it right now. But if you were in Top Step, or once they came out fully with Top Step X, they did a sale where the 50K accounts were, I think, like $20 a month or something like that for the lifetime. So you could have gotten 10 accounts for $200 total. So yeah, that's why they're so cheap. But right now, Apex is doing a 90% off sale still. I think it ends in like 14 hours. So you can still get some cheap Apex accounts. I think Apex accounts are like $20 right now for 50K. But that's only for the first month. And then after that, I think it goes to 35. So I think Top Step finished their sale on the 20th, I believe. So Zabak said, bleh, people sleeping on trade day. They pay out full, no buffer stuff like Apex and Top Step. I mean, Top Step doesn't really have a buffer. Like all you gotta do is trade $200 per day for 5 days, and you can get a payout. So I don't think it's that bad. Does trade day have an intraday trailing drawdown though? No problem, Brandon. That's what I want to know. Trade day lets you withdraw right after passing the eval. Yeah, but you still got to make the money though. But the question is do they have an intraday trailing, or is it end of day? That's what I want to know. Nice long here. End of day. Oh, okay. Even once you get funded, they have end of day as well. If that's the case, then trade day is another good one. Yo, kill this long, bro. Kill this long. Hobbs eating over there.
What makes you think
Hobbs
I'm
is
in long?
silently
I never
eating.
said I was in long.
I know you're in long, fool.
I never
Oh,
said
nice.
I was in long.
No, you're in long. Shut up. Hobbs is silently over here killing the market. Yeah, we know how you trade, Hobbs. We know you in long. I'll tell you, Hobbs got in long at 817-ish area. Oh, let me see. You just had the screenshot. Let's see if I'm right. Oh, I was a little wrong. He got in at
Well, I would have got in 817, but I was talking to you. If I would have stopped talking to your ass, I'd have been in the trade.
Hey, get it, trade yo girl. Long into. Let's go. Just be careful up here. Just careful up here, but yeah. Good job. Good execution.
I'm all out for 400.
Let's go.
I'm all out for 400.
Because we don't get sound.
I only wanted to long. I only wanted to long inside of that structure right there. If we couldn't break that structure, that 5-minute structure, I wanted out. Right. Remember, I told you my targets are when I'm longing against the potential trend here. Until we put that higher low in, my targets are just going to be the 894 level. So once we couldn't hold 894, I just cut it.
Yeah, I want to see.
And now I got a little bit of cushion, so I can actually
down.
put on some size here. That's what I wanted to do.
I want to see.
All right, cool. Now I got some weight to put some size.
If ES comes down, I want to see if we can. Let's go. Trading Yoga Girl. If ES comes down, I want to see ES hold like 5322 to 5318. If it starts to come down, that low volume area is where I would like to see us hold.
Trading Yoga Girl took the long off the sweep. She's been learning. She's been paying attention. We sweep them lows. We going higher. If we pop back up, we're going higher. Good trade, Trading Yoga Girl. Let's get it.
Oh God, what is? I'll watch this later. This is those crazy people Valdez, right? Okay, got you. Gotcha. Hey man, the chat been lively today. I missed one day, and I feel like I came back and like we had like 10 new people in the chat chatting it up. Man, y'all the best.
Nah, bro. Like they fuck with old Justin, old light skin, bro. They weren't talking to me like this yesterday.
No, because every day, it's only when we're both here. Because every day that you're not here, they're like, "Where's Hobbs? Where's Hobbs at? Where did Hobbs go?" And I guess when I'm not here, where's Justin? Where did he go? I'm like, damn, I'm not enough.
You're not here. It's the same thing, bro. I got to deal with the same shit. I'm like, why don't y'all call that man? How about that? Pick up these lows.
Hey, let's go, bud. Let's eat.
I think we about to go back up, bud. I might have to re-enter this joint.
That was a nice little pullback we got right there. If we continue schmooving,
I think we might go back up. I'm just kind of waiting to see what we do at previous day high here. And I think I'm gonna wait till we pull back a little bit, but if we go up from here, it's about to be up.
What up, Brian? What you need help with?
What's up, Brian? What you need help with, bro?
Oh my god. Oh,
they about to trap so many people long up here if they trying to start this position up here. Careful starting a position up here. I really like the longs. But I would just be careful starting a position up here.
Agreed. Way to go, yoga girl. Yep, she out here killing it. Still looking good. Still looking like a good hole here. Nice little pullback, low volume pullback too. It looks like we're gonna come right back up. Yep, they just added about 600 orders below us on ES. Let's go, trading yoga girl.
Let's go, trading yoga girl. Let's get it.
Come on, let's break. We need to see. I definitely want to see those highs break though that we put in that double top.
Yeah, from earlier. Yeah, I want to see us push back up to 955. That's what I want to see. Yeah, I don't want to get back in up here, but yeah, I want to get back in too. But I don't want to get back in up here. I want to wait till we pull back to like 862, somewhere in there.
Yeah, we have some nice consolidation down here. The market's balancing out.
Consolidation is good.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Just chilling.
Yeah, the Bears are still in control until we get above this high, but I think the Bulls are about to take this high. They're about to take it aggressively. That's what I think, but we'll see.
Yeah, we got NVIDIA is just kind of chilling up at its all-time high, trying to kind of break. Every pullback has been pretty weak over there, but Apple, Google are both trying to recover from their sell-off, which is really, really bullish. Oh, by the way, Emmett, you're hilarious. And then Microsoft is also consolidating. So he said
let's get it.
Oh, let's go. Good job. Are y'all streaming Monday? No, we're not streaming on Monday. Monday's a holiday. It's only a half day. It's not worth it to stream on that day.
I didn't even know.
Yeah.
What's happening on Monday?
Monday, I know they had to remind me. Tristan had to remind me.
Half days or holidays, because Justin and I have never missed days for real. So whenever there's a half day or a holiday, we're taking it. No question.
Yeah. It's Memorial Day weekend this weekend. It's a half day on Monday. We're not trading on Monday. I'm not trading on Monday. I'm sure Hop's not either.
I won't even open the charts. I won't even look at it on Monday. Market can do whatever it wants to do on those days.
Makai says, I'm concerned this is it and we get Chop City the rest of the day. Very well could be. NVIDIA will need to up higher for this market to go with it. I don't think
we're going back to at least 9. We're going back to at least 960 if we get above these highs. At least 960. I'm gonna put emphasis on that. At least 960. Because 960 is midnight price. So we've already come down here and swept everything down here, just like I thought we would, right? Not random. Closed the gap, swept all of this information, all of this shit down here. So the only thing left now is to go back up to the highs, to midnight price. So
yeah,
objectively speaking, the market's headed back up. So we'll see. Or subjectively speaking, based off objectivity, the market should be headed back up.
Yeah, for me, I'm still bearish until we get above that high. But I like
That's
what I'm seeing.
Like I'm bearish too. I'm bearish until we get above that high. That's why I wanted to sell at that high, because I was like, if we're gonna remain bearish, we're not gonna get above this high. So let me take everything up here.
Yeah, that was a good sell.
That's why I got out. But let's see if we want to come back down.
Let me see. Right now we're flirting with the POC on ES and NQ. We're both flirting with the POC here, so I definitely wouldn't. At least for longs, I would not be looking to start a new position long up here. This would not be the area. Maybe I would potentially flirt with the short, but not a long.
Come down just a little bit. Yeah, we need to come down at least to 51. That's why I got out, because I knew I had an idea that we probably would pull back. So I was like, let me get out up here, and if we go lower, I can just re-enter. What I'm hoping is the market just doesn't rocket ship from here and says, fuck that gap. And it looks like that's what it wants to do.
I'm getting some random phone calls.
I'd love to get a better entry than I even got last time, but I don't think I will. Come on down. Trap some more buyers up here so we can come down a little bit.
Yeah, we're really starting to consolidate up here. We got a couple of really strong pushes by the Bears here, or by the Bulls.
Bulls aren't pushing us higher.
No, I meant by the Bulls. Sorry, we had a couple strong pushes by the Bulls, and they're just kind of failing to go any higher. If this fails, I may look to try a short here. Stop above 36. Well, maybe not that high. Maybe 34. If this fails, I'm just really trying to push here.
I'm about to say, this don't look like failure to me, bro.
Yeah, it looks like we're starting to try to push up here.
Well, I regret selling.
This also kind of looks like a bull flag on the 2 minutes, so
yeah,
could be flagging here to go higher.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Yeah, that was a nice low volume pullback as well.
Got my bread. I know that's right, Trader Yogi girl. Get your money and get the fuck out. What the market does beyond here is irrelevant to me. Like I want us to come back lower, and I think we might because we're failing at this high again. So let's see.
I'm gonna try to sell here. Put my stop above the high. It's gonna try to target these lows.
You done with the funded account though, right?
Yes, this is on
account. You in another?
Yeah, this is a completely different account. Yeah.
I was like, bro, what are you doing?
No, what? What? I don't need to pad no stats here. No,
bro,
I'm about to cut this though.
Wait, what? What's happening right now? Yeah, I took it long right there. When you guys short, I was like long.
Yeah, this might be the long. I might cut this here a little early.
Yeah, I just took it. I took it in the middle of price, but it was a nice pullback. So let's see if it prints here. I just don't think price is just not looking like it wants to come down lower here. It's kind of a risky trade here, but I'm getting a little bit of FOMO-ish of behavior here, trying to catch this before it pushes out. So I might pay for this, but we'll see. I just think we're building value to push through this high. So I'm just going to play that quick scalp above to get to that high. Finally learning how to trade with this group. I swear, Yvonne, who gifted me this core, is the guardian angel. Yeah, he knew you wanted to be in the right place, man. 500 till I pass my evaluation. Let's
go.
Let's eat.
Let's go.
Every single day. Do the same thing, baby. Let's get it. Congratulations, Trading Yoga Girl. Kill it, man. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Think she wants higher, bro.
Yeah,
think she wants higher, bro. Like, get out of the way, Justin. That short shit. Fuck, man. man. Just go up.
I got my finger on the trigger on this one. I'm not liking what I'm seeing. These bulls are continuing to try to buy. Sellers are not selling down.
We just got to get above. We got to get back on the other side of 900. I think we'll push.
Yeah, the last candle does not look good for me. Not to mention that 5-minute candle. Yeah.
Who's going to be the one to light the fire? Which one of these bulls is going to come out with a 300 lot order? Get it started. They're like, y'all ain't buying yet? All right, man, let's go. Yeah. I think it's good to come down, though. I really do. It's kind of scary to be longing at this high. But, I mean, that's the move today, right? Very, very risky entry here, but I think it might work out. Learned your lesson? Yeah. Yeah. Come on, get out of this.
Yeah,
get out of this. There we go.
Want to go?
There we go. Come on, push, 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 push. All right.
Here comes a bit of selling.
Oh, they're coming for me. They're coming for me. Oh, Nelly. They're coming. The red shirts are coming.
So there's a lack of selling at the low.
Buy them up. Buy them back up, bro. Buy them back up.
Yeesh.
Keep trapping them. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think that was my that should have been my. You need to get out.
That was your exit. That was your exit. that was the market giving you an out right there.
That was my. Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh, we ran that high again.
We stole that liquidity.
Okay.
Yeah, but let's see if we get below that lowest point.
I was literally like a tick away from being
taking
stopped out right there.
Don't worry. Give it time. We got to get back on the other side of that high, though. That all-time high at 905. I think once they get back in the 900s, they'll start pushing. But if they fail here, I don't know what's the target from here. Maybe settlement price, but market's trying hard to break this trend right now. This is basically the equilibrium right here of price. So we get back on the other side of that 900, I think we'll go right to 960 midnight price. There's a push in the 96, trying to trade higher, trying to break all its liquidity up here. This is probably closer to VWAP or something like that. It's a lot of volume got traded through here. So
yeah, we're right at the POG.
Yeah, every time we do the same thing.
Probably waited
every day. It's like fucking markets on fucking repeat. Same shit every day. Different song, different dance. Sometimes what we'll do though is like when we hit these highs, we'll come crashing down really fast to pick up the last bit of liquidity before we leave. So you still may be all right if you're not stopped out yet.
No, I'm not stopped out yet, but I think I'm gonna be. Yeah, I think it's coming. They're gonna push up.
Yeah, that was the taste of 900 right there. So let's see.
Yeah,
See if
I'm
they wanna
definitely.
trade above
I'm
900.
definitely getting stopped out here. There it is.
You out? All right, custom barbecue. Take it easy, man. I gotta go walk the dog and pee, so I'll be back.
All right, there we go. About to be stopped out. Oh my god. All right, there it is. Stopped out right there. All right, all good. Stopped out there. May look to re-enter if we get back up to 43 or 5336. Should have probably waited. That was a mistake. Well, that's loud. See you later, bro. Yeah, on the 5 minute, that was just a pullback. I still like the shorts though. I just wish we were a bit higher. I tried to short the market. I lost. It was at 33425. I was looking at that sweep, but really, price just rounded up. I probably shouldn't have taken that short, honestly. I should have waited to see what we did at 336. See if we double top, triple top. There's also a VWAP up there as well. Let's see if I can't get it back. Hobbs got back in the long. I think everybody else got out and took their profit. I'm gonna wait. Let's see what we're doing here. Growing quite nicely on the YouTube, up to 1,536 subs. Let's go. Where are you at with subscribers, Valdez? Does he have us muted? Nice. What's your watch hours at? I know they got to be pretty nice because you have a couple of videos that are over 1,000. That's really good. That's really good for just videos. Yeah, for whatever reason, it was hard. It's hard for us to get subs, but watch hours have been very, very easy to get. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, facts. Yeah, the Apex video that I made is doing really well. It's got over 3,000 views in about like 4 days, so over 300 watch hours. Got us about 22 subs, so it's doing pretty good. All right, we're we're testing this low volume area again. Looks like we just filled some orders. Let's see what we do here. Yeah, I want to short this. I like the shorts up here.
You're looking at a 61 for target. Midnight price. Yep. Yeah, that's what I figured. Once we snatched that objective at the lows, the target became midnight price for me. We're just taking our time to take out this 915 level. Once we get above 915, we should rocket ship to 61. All right, let me go feed the dog. Hear that?
Here we go. Currently trying to break above 336 on ES. Looking to see what we do here. Probably should have waited. I got in a little too early.
Sit. Good boy. Eat your food.
Strong bullish is coming in here.
Good boy. Oh shit, yeah, there we go. Above 915, we go to 961. That's what I wanted to see, a nice breakout candles right there.
Sellers hit the market right.
It was a really risky entry, but I like what I was seeing on the tape. And I like the fact that we didn't look like we wanted to close that gap where I got in at originally. So I took it pretty late, I'm not gonna lie. Like it was at like 89. But my thesis was that this was the turning point of price and the market didn't want to come back down below that previous 15-minute candle. So I took it a little late, but I definitely was pretty confident in the trade. So let's see what happens here. My target's 68 or 61, whichever one price wants to kind of facilitate here. So gold starting to look good for longs. I haven't even looked at it.
And there's a strong break above. Woo!
Let's go.
Testing VWAP now.
Took it on a different account that was closer to being funded. I'm about 1,500 away from being funded on this account.
Let's go
today. So hopefully this can be a one and done trade over here. Yeah, on Top Step X.
Of course you know it's Top Step X.
So hopefully I'm in a mini. 67, 68, somewhere around there. So right above midnight price. Right above midnight price. So I'm just let it do what it do. Yeah, no, I mean the risk is on. I like the setup. Like I said, I took it late. And I know this is a late entry. This is not a Hobbs entry, so please don't follow this shit. But I like what I was seeing from the traders up there at the top.
All right, I'll be back.
That's the other entry right there. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, I know, right? Should it be wild? Where'd Justin go? Oh, maybe he went to go tell his wife. I don't know. He just bounced. I was like, where the fuck did Justin go? I looked at the streamer. I was like, hey, where this fool go? Yeah, just waiting to see if we can make that for 960. Like I think we got a nice 50-point move in us. If the Bulls are taking control, they're most likely coming up for midnight price. Like they're coming up to that retracement. That should be the target. Mm-hmm. Yeah. This pullback we should come back and test VWAP at 902, then potentially come back and test my entry one more time. And if so, I'm gonna add another position to put in 15 micros, and my target could be shortened from there. But the only other place that we could reject, in my opinion, is 933 through roughly about 953. But I'm liking the way that we're coming up here. We're not coming up choppy. We're coming up with nice smooth candles, nice smooth movement on the way up. So we got a nice bullish engulfing on the 15-minute that printed. I'm sure the 1 hour looks super bullish. So just let it do what it's going to do. Yeah, the 1 hour looks nuts right now. Oh my God, the 1 hour. Yeah, the 1 hour looks crazy. Crazy. Look at this. Look at this freaking 1 hour candle, bro. Again, we just got to get above this previous all-time high at 909. And then I think we can start holding a price above there. Then that'll be a good level for price to kind of, hold its hat on. So let it do what it do. I'll pull it back over here to the 15 so you guys can watch it on that. I'm just not a big fan of watching the 1 minute anymore. I'm just not. But yeah, you're right. I mean, Valdez, the goal is to be max funded, man, everywhere. How about for ES Hobbs? Oh, let me look at the 1 hour. ES, where'd you go, Jay?
I had to use the bathroom real fast. I couldn't hold my pee in any. You can't hear me?
I think you got me muted.
No. Can y'all hear me? Or is Hobbs messed up? I couldn't hold my pee in any longer. I had to go.
Yeah, same thing. ES on the 1 hour looks amazing as well, right? Like it's a perfect double bottom. Jesus Christ, look at how perfect this is. I'm sure that's random, right? I'm sure that's not engineered in any way, right? But on ES, like the next resistance, in my opinion, is going to be that same little supply area right here, right, at 53.41 through 53.48, right? So this is a really, really choppy area for price to get through. If it can get through this, then we should see higher prices. And the target on ES will become 53.60 through 53.60.75. But the VIX is selling down. Everything looks extremely bullish on the VIX. We just need that confirmation push from the next stock to step up, because everybody's at their low right now, while NVDA has not slowed down at all. NVIDIA is at 1050 all-time high again. So yeah, when things are this bullish, like when those sweeps come down that aggressively, like I just get really, really bullish. I'd be like, nope. Because if we wanted to change character, we just do it. We do it properly, right? When the market wants to reverse down here, it's reversing properly. Right? It's putting in an inverse head and shoulders. It's giving everybody an opportunity to get in and get short or get long. It's looking like it wants to reverse. At the high, what did we do? We just came straight down. So that's one of the reasons that one of the things I look for structurally, be like, okay, is this a reversal or is this a retracement? And it still could be a reversal, because we could still be putting in that structure here at 32, right? This was a clear break of structure here at 32. So I got my finger on the trigger at this area. I want to see price just completely rip through this area. If it doesn't, then I'm going to secure profit, right? Because that's a red flag for me. I know that this area could pick up a lot of sellers, right? So I'd be foolish to just sit through this, understanding where I am in price, right? Again, trying to take out those lows. If those lows start to disappear and buyers stop to show interest or don't show interest at the lows anymore, then that's a red flag for me, right? So as long as I'm seeing buyers show interest at the lows, it is what it is.
Yeah, they're definitely holding these lows.
All right, 1150 macro coming up here soon. We're trading up into it, which tells me that we could trade down back into my entry, which is what I'm anticipating. I would like for us to trade higher before 1150 gets here, so that we could trade back down into this low first. But I'm willing to roll the dice, right, and see if we can't come down. We could come down, sweep my entry, and then potentially go up. So I'm willing to roll the dice and sit through some drawdown for this. I'm willing to sit it out. All right, there's another attempt to sell 910. Seems to be solidifying the previous all-time high from last night as a level that the buyers may hold court at. So if we sweep this level and start to come down, it'll be a red flag for me. So
yeah, yes, we're
what
still
you thinking,
holding this
Justin?
low.
I don't think you heard me the first 3 times I called your name.
No, I heard you. You asked me where
You're
I went.
muted, Justin. You're muted. For like the 4th time I've been telling you you're muted.
I don't understand. Can y'all hear me or no? I don't understand. I'm not muted on anything else.
You're still muted. If you're talking, we can't hear you at all. Yeah, in Discord,
yeah,
we can hear you. I can't hear
Void
you.
Is saying, tell him Void is saying he can hear me too. Yeah, they're all saying they can hear me, so it must be Hobbs.
Let me go to see what he's saying in Discord. All right, Justin, I can hear you in Discord now. What are you saying?
That's weird because they're all saying they can hear me on the stream, so I don't know.
Wait, I can't hear him in Discord either. Oh wait,
yeah, something's going on with his thing.
Okay, there's nothing going on with my thing. I can hear you just fine.
Huh?
It's something going on with your thing, bro. Like, I haven't done anything.
The whole chat saying they can hear me, so I don't know. It's weird.
That's because they're in Discord, Justin.
No, the people who aren't in Discord are saying it too. Brandon said it. Void said they can hear me. Everybody on YouTube chat saying they can hear me too. That's what I'm saying.
But I can't hear you in StreamYard though.
Yeah, that's weird.
I haven't changed anything.
I don't think
I changed anything. All I did was walk away.
Yeah, I went up to go use the bathroom and then came back. But we'll keep holding.
Let me check my audio. Maybe it switched over. Yeah, this low looks good. It looks good. Yeah, let me lost signal. Let me see. Okay, say something now.
Now, say something.
Okay, yeah, it was me. My bad. I didn't know. When I walked away to walk the dog, the Bluetooth disconnected, and when it reconnected, I guess it didn't do anything. Yeah, they're holding this low, this all-time high, this previous all-time high, that red line that I got marked on my chart. They continue to sell at it, but it's not breaking. So as long as this holds, right, then I'm pretty confident they're just engineering liquidity to go higher and to take out this high. So we'll see what 1150 brings. I'm expecting a little bit of a roller coaster to come down a little bit and sweep this low, but I gotta mentally prepare myself for it. So
yeah, because now
the risk is managed. There's nothing to be afraid of.
Yeah, they're also holding VWAP right now pretty aggressively.
I'm chilling, man. I'm just gonna walk away though. I'm good, guys. Don't worry. I'm just gonna get up and walk away. Okay, I'll be back.
Well, that was a good candle close on the 2 minute. Yeah, this consolidation can really go either way. Oh, we got Cross East joining the Discord. I'm assuming you're from the YouTube channel. What up, Cross East? Hopefully you're on the channel. This is a very interesting level on the tape. Yeah, looks like we want to keep pushing up. Yep, we're still pushing up. What a dynamic long. GC trying to push up as well. Damn, CL been in the dirt all day. Look at CL in the dirt. But VIX, look at VIX dumping. VIX is dumping right now. Yeah, I think for me to want to go short, we're going to have to break below 53.36. It's the only way I'm getting short. If this fails, though, that'll be pretty bearish. But it looks like we just want to continue to push up. Yeah. I potentially like shorts, but I need to see us get below 53.36.
Settings.
It looks good, though.
My shit running back. All right. I cut that already on my live account. Already out. But it's a good trade so far. Let's go. Today's a good day. Today's a good freaking day. Let's go.
You got in at that low. You're killing it.
Well, no, I got out. Well, I got in on the low on my live account at 42. And I cut it. And then I had the same trade on one of my Top Step accounts. And I was like, I cut it. And I was like, okay, this last account is next to being funded. So let me just take it and take it with larger size and just get the account funded. Because I think I know where we're going. So if we're going up there, that's perfect because that's exactly where I need to be. I'm up about 700 on the trade right now, 740. We need another 700 bucks. So chilling. Very clean. Yeah, very, very clean. I think the shorts and the longs were they acted accordingly. Right? Nothing was shaky, nothing was thrown at us that was crazy. You know what I mean? Like nobody's waiting on any news, you know? No fucking speakers are talking.
GC might sweep the lows. Maybe. It looks like we just had a sweep. Looks like we had a nice sweep and a nice inverse head and shoulders on GC, to be honest with you.
Are you watching GC today?
Nah, just Boyd was saying GC might sweep the lows. I was just saying, looks like GC already swept, put in a nice inverse head and shoulders, and is moving up.
At least you can give Hobbs liquidity. Thank you, Boyd. I appreciate you. Yeah, I mean, guys, if you guys go and review Monday through Thursday so far, the market hasn't changed not once. It's literally given us the same trade session every single day this week. We sweep the low, everybody gets bearish, the market puts in an inverse head and shoulders, and we reverse. Until it shows me something different, that's what I'm waiting on.
Yeah, Eddie, the daily open price right now is the high of day. So if we get back up there, then if the Bulls win that, it's gonna be a day.
Don't go.
No. Just for the market. He was saying that the daily open price is normally a reaction. I was like, well, yeah, the daily open price right now is the high of day. So if we get back up there, like Bears are gonna have to defend, or I mean, we could see a massive squeeze up.
That's why 33 is the finger on the trigger level for me. I'm watching 33. If we break 33, I'm gonna let Jesus take the wheel.
I did get in short there. It was an early sell entry though.
I think it was a good short.
If we can break below 36, then I think I'll be in good shape. All right, so far this is looking like it's failing, so I might cover. Yeesh. Oh, that was super bullish.
So Justin,
Yep.
you remember that conversation you was trying to remind me of when you was like,
Yeah.
how I don't want us to look back on the day and
Oh
realize
no, I know.
we could have been
see.
selling the market all day.
This is looking like a real strong recovery right here.
I think it's about time for us to have that discussion.
Yeah, they might be. They looking very done. They're looking well done.
I'm like, bro, stop shorting this fucking market, bro. You're gonna pay. You're gonna look at the VIX. Just look at the VIX. You're fighting the idea of being correct right now. And the market doesn't care if you're right or wrong. Be on the right side of the market. You're on the wrong side of the market, brother. Every time you see aggressive selling, you sell. And that's what the market wants you to do. But there's nothing that's changed about the trend. Every time the market is about to pull back or retrace, you sell. And you're not selling because you're thinking about your trade. You're selling because you're thinking about the last trade, right? You're selling because you want to make up the money from the last trade. Wait for the market to change trend. Stop trying to get in at the top. You're doing exactly what you don't want other people to do, which is try to time the top. Don't try to time the top, bro. Just follow order flow. When the market's ready to reverse, it'll tell you. It'll change character, and it'll come back down, and it'll come back up and fail. But what happened when we came back up? We put in a higher high. What happened when we came down? We swept the low and came right back up. So until that changes, you shouldn't be looking to short the market unless you're scalping for 5 or 6 points. And on ES, you're probably scalping for 1 or 2. So, and I know that's not how you trade. So unless you're turning into a scalper, the shorts might come in. They might play out, but let it show itself.
Yeah. I mean, I definitely took the early entry right there. I said that though going. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna try the early entry here.
But that's the second time you've done it though, right? You did the same thing down there at the low, right? That's the second time you did it. So at what time are you gonna be like, okay, let me just wait for the market to show me that it wants to reverse, right? You keep taking these paper cuts every single time, right? You could just wait till the market gives you exactly what you want and then take it.
Yeah, you're right.
I think the market has a probability of reversing, and if it's going to do it, it's going to do it here, right? And I'm not reversing, but retracing back to the downside in the current trend that it's in. I don't think you're wrong for looking for shorts. I think it's the manner in which you're taking the short, the reason for you taking the short. You don't have a reason to get short. You're seeing aggressive selling. You're like, this is the short. And then you get played at the low, you know? I think shorts can come in, but they have to be short-lived for now, while we're in this uptrend, which is the overall trend of the market. I'm taking a sweet ass time inside of this fucking macro. It's 11:50 macro is chilling. We chilling in here. This thing ain't been about shit all week, to be honest. That 11:50 macro ain't done shit all week, bro. It's been all about 1 p.m., 1:15. We're looking kind of weak up here, I ain't gonna lie, but as long as the lows are holding, I'm gonna hold it. We gotta get back to midnight, man. It's a thing, okay? It's a thing. Oh boy. What a freaking long ass trade. Oh, that was the close of another 1 hour candle. So we closed pretty bullish right there. Maybe we come down and retrace about 50% of this candle. Could be a nice opportunity for a short. Be on a different account, but I'm not gonna short this shit. I'm gonna wait. Just want to make sure my stop loss is enough for 50%. Yeah. ES is looking super bearish at the high, but
yeah, we're looking
shit at the low.
We just gotta break
the low though.
We gotta break below 53.36.
Are you short again?
I never got stopped out.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Oh, because yeah, ES barely retraced barely anything.
Yeah, I'm up about $400 right now on this trade.
Nice.
I'm in 3 minis though.
Yeah, see, that's that anger kicking in.
No, it wasn't anger. We retraced up, and I was in 2, and I added 1 more because I like what we did at the high.
Okay, good, because normally that's a revenge trade for you.
Nope. Oh no, I switched accounts. I'm in a different account now. I'm up 700 on this trade. I'm going to break even. I'm up 3-1.
Okay, good. All right, we're rejecting these highs pretty nasty. Let's see if they want to push it all the way back down.
We do. Even that candle has like a little tail on it.
Mm-hmm. It looks really good bearish on the 15-minute. That's why I said it was looking pretty weak up here at these highs. But let's see what we do at the low. See if we want to take out these lows.
Just need 4K more to pass. Let's go. Let's go,
Man,
Eddie.
You've been killing this thing today. Let's go. Killing this thing today. Get your ass back up there.
Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like this 1 minute.
Get your ass back up there. That's the sweep of the low. Let's see if we want to take it back up.
Okay, I like that. I like how we're trying to close this 2 minute though.
Yeah, they're trying to defend here. Go to break even to protect myself.
And we just put some orders right there.
Protect the capital, baby. If we come down lower, I'll just close to re-enter. Back above 910. I think we're okay.
Okay, let's see what we do.
It's like my Pokemon versus your Pokemon.
Yeah, if they defend this low at 335, then I'm probably gonna get out. But if we break through it,
Charizard, fire! Charizard, fire! Yeah, this looks really bearish though on the 15-minute, like very bearish. Bulls need to come in anytime now, guys. You know, anytime you want to show up here, buddies. They're not coming. They're not coming. That's a break of the VWAP there. That's not good. Let's see if we hold it.
Yeah,
one more shot.
It's still looking good. Yes, it's failing to break below. Let me see, what is NQ doing? Oh, nah. NQ's looking kind of bearish.
Still buying that.
Thanks, Shay. I think House figured it out. He figured out that his it was his mic that was, or his headphones were messed up.
She all late.
Mm-hmm. You might be late on the stream though.
She might be
late
watching the stream though. Yeah.
Yeah, delayed.
Yeah. I'm like, why is she just now telling us she can hear us? You can hear him or whatever.
Yeah, I'm not
all right,
liking what
Bulls
I'm seeing on the tape right now.
Bears are definitely trying to push this thing down, but I'm just gonna hold it. Right, I'm at break even. I can't lose on the trade. If we get tapped out for break even, and if I still like what I'll see, I'll get back in. But we'll see what happens. If we take out these lows, then I'll be done in the trade anyway. Not on the day. I'm still gonna be looking for another trade.
Okay, there we go. There's the breakdown. All right, come on. We just broke that low. Just hold this and we'll be good. We don't want to see this reclaimed now.
Very good, very good. This is the POC right here at 95 on NQ.
Yeah, we don't want
to. It definitely looks good. Continue selling at the low. And the VIX is starting to get on board with this move.
Okay, there we go.
All right, I'm stopped out right there. Good trade.
Almost there. I need 2 more points and I'll be good to go. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm at 23. Actually, you want me to get that?
Yeah, I didn't think you need that.
no, I do need that. There we go.
Trade,
I need 29, 25 is what I need. This is brand new.
Yeah, so he just needs to get the 1500 on the day.
But I'm securing 700 on this trade. I don't like this bounce up right here. Actually, come on, get your ass down. Get your ass back down. Get your ass back down. Come down one more time.
Doesn't be having a whole ass battle with this thing. Like, get your ass back down.
Get your ass down. Come on. Come on. Get your ass down. Get down. Get down, girl. There you go. No, come on. Get your ass down. If I get 1,000, I'm just gonna secure the 1,000. If not, I'll take the 700. That's fine. I'm not mad.
I was about to say, shit. As long as you're securing the 7, who gives a fuck about the extra 3? Right? Like it's just risk. That extra 3 is risk right now. Let's go, baby.
Yeah, I just don't like the way we pop back up on this candle. I think we're about to zoom right back to the upside here.
Yeah, the fact that we're slowing down here is not good business. It's not good business.
I'm hoping we fail though, but I think we're zooming.
We're right at the 50%
back to 3,
right here.
But whatever.
That previous high and low. I got marked on my chart right there.
Yeah, we just bounced off of the POC too, like nicely.
Yeah, the POC was at 95. Like, yeah, as soon as we tap through it, we came right back up. What you don't want to see is this 15-minute candle close bullish. It's only 30 seconds left in this 15-minute candle. This motherfucker closed
I'm
bullish.
stopped out already. All right, I'm stopped out for 729. I'm cool with that.
Like, if this motherfucker closed bullish, that's the last thing you want to see.
Yeah, I got stopped out for 729. We're cool. We're cool with that. We're cool with that.
Good trade, man. Good trade.
It's all good. I'll take that.
Good trade. Good trade. I got stopped out and for break even on that trade. I'm gonna wait to see what we do down here at these lows to decide whether I want to get back in or not.
Gamble or motivation healing said, "I prefer gambling than good RR setups."
hey, who am I to tell you you're wrong, bro? Yeah, I'm not here to argue whether or not you're wrong, right? Like, hey, if you prefer gambling, go gamble, right? Go get your money, baby. Get your money.
Facts.
As long as the outcome is income, who am I to tell you that is wrong? The double top on ES was so smooth. Yeah, it was clean. It was like a triple top up there.
70 more to pass.
I was hoping for us to get,
PD is almost passing his account. 70 more or her, but I think it's boy.
Yeah, for me, I kind of mismanaged that trade because I told myself I'd get out at 33, but I didn't get out at 33. I didn't even realize we hit 33. I should have had my target at 33, right? We literally hit 33 on the dot, and I didn't realize it, right? And I didn't get out. So I kind of mismanaged that one a little bit. So if I could have it back, I would probably get out at 33. and then just kind of either reverse the position or just kind of wait to see what the bulls are going to do after that rejection at 33. Because I definitely anticipated the rejection at 33. So now let's see if the bulls want to take back over, if the Bears want to continue to push price down. The Bears seem like they have all the control right now, so I would not be fighting these Bears down up here.
Oh, it's Blackness. Okay, Blackness. Get it, Blackness. Get it, Blackness.
Why do I sound so far away? I don't know, because I'm on the Bluetooth headphones.
Oh, you're not using your mic at all?
Mm-mm.
Oh. Yeah,
It's just my
profit down at that level. It's okay though. It's all good.
No, I'm using my my Bluetooth headphones. I think I could switch the mic though on YouTube, so it's using my Shure mic.
Yeah, you definitely can.
Okay, so I'm saying, mic, man, okay.
For how much?
Mic sound better, you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. You said 150? Oh, nice. Yeah.
Good trade, bro.
I kind of regret not taking the 1,000, but it's all good. It's all good. I still nabbed 700. That was a 3-to-1, so it's not a big deal.
Man,
well, actually, it's a 2-to-1, but
I just gave back 700. I'm not even blinking. I'm like,
I'm cool.
It.
I just wish I would have. I wish
I'll take it.
I'm cool. I think I just got greedy. I wish I would have taken, because I knew the POC was there, and I was like, yeah, well, we gonna get through the POC. Nope.
Yeah, right. And you be like, we gonna get through the POC, right? It's like, bro, who you talking to? It's us in here. It's me and you, Justin and Justin, right? Like, it's just Justin and Justin. Nah, man, we gonna get through it, right? Like, bro,
yeah.
I don't think so. I don't think so.
We ain't gonna bounce violently at the POC, right? Yeah. That's not gonna happen. You gonna be good. You just look for a little bit lower than the POC. You just need 2 points lower, and then it bounces at the POC, takes you out, and then it goes lower. You're like, son of a bitch. It's all good though. I'm not mad at it.
I don't know. These bulls still ain't coming out of here like I want them to.
Yeah, no.
I don't know.
Well,
I don't think that they're getting as aggressive as I like. I want to see that violent behavior that they was showing us last night when Tokyo was sending 100 or 200 points. Like, where the hell them buyers at?
Where them bulls? Where them bulls go,
bro? I don't know if you saw my trade last night, bro, but the thing moved so fast. It gave me positive slippage. Right?
Oh,
like,
yeah.
When was the last time you got in a trade you got positive slippage, bro?
Never. Never. Where it jumps your
It jumped so far past my stop, it took my take profit off, but I was still in the trade. I was like, wait a minute, am I still in this trade? My P&L was still moving. I'm like, yo, I'm still in the trade. I was like, I have positive slippage right now. This is crazy. Yeah, it ran my take profit so fast. I said, "Oh, all right."
It's always the opposite.
Normally
it'll jump your stop, but it'll never jump your take profit.
Never jump your take profit. Yeah, I bitched up on that trade, man. I should have left my stop where it was. That was the invalidation point. I got scared. Took the break even. I'm probably gonna regret that one a little bit, but I'm over it. Look how fast I just got over it. I'm over it. Doesn't matter.
Are you in long? Is that why you're over it? Because long
yeah.
Beautiful. he said, I'm over it. Yeah, because you're in long.
I'm over it. I'm over it. I found a new boo. I found a new boo. I'm over it. Yeah. I got back here once I got stopped out. I was like, all right. Now I can get
Let's go. Oprah's in the building. You get funded. You get funded.
You get funded. Oh,
let's go, Blackness.
Hold on. Can you guys hear the Manocaster now or no?
Yes, we can.
You heard it that time? Oh, good.
Yeah.
Okay, so as long as I turn my mic on, I can still use the Manocaster. Yeah. As long as I'm using the Manocaster's mic.
Mm-hmm.
These are
Let's go, Blackness. Let's go.
I feel like
everybody get funded. Who get funded? You get funded. Everybody get funded. And we got a new Discord member too, Cross East. Let's go.
Oh, somebody else joined the Discord? Let's go, baby. Welcome to the shop. Let's get it. Dropping bombs, baby. Let's go.
I caught the short for 700.
Yo, you know what? This man Pip be in the middle. This man Pip be in the middle of changing tires. He be in the middle of fucking changing oil, whatever the fuck it is. That motherfucker find time to jump in the shop and be like, hey, y'all motherfuckers in long? Yes, Pip, we're in long. This is my third long on the day. He said, yeah, it's shaky. It needs to get it needs to get above the high, but I'm comfortable. Yes. I literally just said that. I said this is gonna be a quick scalp or I'm gonna hold it. So I'm trailing it because we could reject right away at the high, right? So I'm scalping, but I'm holding, right? I'm scaling, I'm trailing, but I'm holding. Because I think we look good to push, but if we fail here, we're definitely going back down much lower. So I'm scalping. I'm cautiously optimistic that we'll push out. So the risk is managed. I'm no longer risking anything. I'm willing to give it all back for the potential push, but I'm not willing to lose money on it. So that's how I'm playing it.
Yeah, I agree.
Because we could be shifting the guard here, but if we get back above 933, we're fine. Because I think if the market trades back into 33, it should want to move higher. This 15-minute candle looks really good, so I'm gonna keep holding. Ooh. Yeah, that's why I'm looking at. I'm watching the 15-minute because the hour looks amazing. Bob's working overtime. Damn, what time is it?
That's 12.
Shit, it's 11:23. Yeah,
12:22.
Man, I'm trying to finish off this darn account. I got one pretty close. This one I can finish with this trade. I should have just went it all in with like 2 or 3 minis and fucking finished it off. Probably should have took my profit up there at 700, but these bulls look weak up here. We need to start seeing some aggressive buying up above 916.
Yeah, they looked weak at the high. That's why I took that. That's why I took that short up there. And then when we pulled back, I'm not gonna lie, I was scared out my motherfucking pants. But then when I seen what I was like, oh, I might be okay.
Yeah. This. All right, I'm gonna lock in 200 just in case, because we could very well flush. And if we flush, I want out.
Why did I switch accounts? Yeah, I'm cool with 700 on that account. I'm down 700 on my other account, so let's just make that up.
Yeah, you just want to see that buy-in be continuous, even though it looks a little soft right now. As long as it's continuous, I'm comfortable. Yeah,
we're looking pretty strong.
Yeah, we're looking strong.
Yeah, yes, and NQ look exactly the same. Yeah. They did damn near the same thing, except for y'all bounced off of 890.
Yeah, but we're also in lunchtime, so I think we can call it a stream right there, man. I didn't realize we were so close to freaking 11:30. I'm gonna stay in this trade. My long entry is at 898. My target is funded, so whatever that number is, that's where my take profit is. It's a reasonable target though. It looks like 988 is my take profit, I think. Wait, no, this is 1800. No, I only need 86 is my take profit. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's been an absolute pleasure. Shout out to everybody that wanted to join the Discord, that ganged up today. Shout out to new member Cross East. But you guys already know there's 3 ways to support the channel. You can tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button, turn those notification bells on so you get notified when we go live or put out a video. Also, check out the description of all Justin's videos: Top Step, Take Profit, My Funded Futures, Top Step X, Apex, all of that good stuff. Use the code, and that will help give us a kickback on those prop firm accounts that you're using, right? So, and then last but not least, join the Discord, man. It's $15 a week. It's $40 a month. If you want a strong community, you want to get educated by myself and Justin, right? You want market reviews, you want order flow reviews, you want access to order flow. right? $160 service. We offer that for free in the Discord. So that being said, it's been a really clean day, green day all across the board for myself and Justin. Justin got his account funded today, which was freaking outstanding because we've been waiting on this damn funded for a minute, but it all good.
Yeah, about
right?
like 3
Everybody
weeks.
don't make moves at the same time. I'm sure he's relieved too, right? So, but
right.
I feel like today gave you a ton of confidence, brother, but I won't even try to steal your shine, man. Go ahead and speak on your day, good sir.
Today was good. I think I read the market pretty well. Some things to clean up. I am red in one of my accounts. I've done like $700, but I made it up by being green $700 in another account. So hey, it happens. You can't be perfect, but yeah, I think I read the market good today. Just trying to continue to build that consistency, and I'm gonna probably trade that funded account tomorrow and just size down to 1 mini or 5 micros on ES or on NQ, and just try to consistently build it up. So that's my plan, and also trying to get some of these other accounts funded too. So just take it slow, take your time. A lot of people are getting funded, which is awesome. So yeah, just know the work's not over with yet. So that and just smile into the moon. I mean, it's not the first time I've been funded. I've been funded on other accounts too. Like I got an account funded.
I mean, you still should be happy every time you get funded,
Yeah,
that's all he's saying. But the job's not finished though, Kobe.
Yeah, it's not done. This is just step one. You gotta get to the payout, right? Everybody can get funded, but not a lot of people get to the payout. So gotta get to the payout. Hopefully start strong tomorrow. So we'll see.
Let's get it, man. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, my name is T Hobbs. That guy over there is Jay Seals, right? And we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.